But can they look like the place lock up long time and then stop using?
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stuff to use it. Forward.
So when you say you're going and now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry him up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw.
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. Some of mine you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me have to bear it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember say me have a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. You see, I have new phone and things, like things are going for you, I like it. Good. Wow, that face though. You got yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you know. I want a man them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot, man.
And I settle down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did marry them. I mean, you know. One day me go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on his side. You not tell me. A people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there with one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him with me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to chop you now, Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. And remember say me tell you say me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say him I go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him say to come out of the house, man. Pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as you see one man you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
I mean we're ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man the boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it them time they like to give me. So you know say if the man want one high cement on me, because you see through me and say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay with forever when they know deep down they not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping, you know. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then then have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants to. A chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when I did there with before. Girl, me say if you want ice cement, me give him. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in a Candy. And you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money figure. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call you. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Choppings.
So, good evening. Evening, sir, right?
Yes, good evening.
Alright, good
Or you could
evening.
say good afternoon.
So, people, Candy I beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So,
Right.
we are here doing a video now. I'm not tell her none of I question them, and I'm going to ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm going to make her know and she's going to know right away, meaning say, like I want to just know, she just know. We want to know where Candy come from, the original Candy, not just the movie them. So, my first question is, how far back should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school you used to attend?
Younger days,
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
when me used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school you used to attend?
Rushie's High School.
Rushie's?
Yes.
I used to be a bad people got Rushie's.
Sometimes some we bad you know man and one next time we go good.
So tell
But
me,
badness not pay still.
So
Better you stay good.
So tell me about Rushie's school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time you go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to live
different
from, you used to live, Negrola used to live them time?
No. Montego Bay.
So you used to live Montego Bay,
Yes.
like Montego Bay, or Rushie's?
Yeah, because I'm a Montego now. How you feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy?
I don't.
So no star, one more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We have
mom
to go on
and
the
my
two of them
dad.
one time. So the legendary Popeye, I don't know two of them from Richard Brown films. So no, hold on, come right us no man.
Oh.
So no star, what you drink?
Handicap, you know?
Yeah, what going? Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So when you used to live in Negril when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say you see Candy, you see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did go to school? Me want to know.
Me try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys. But see, like it rough. So you used to attend Little London, you used to attend Rushie's. So what was
Say
school
Rushie's
like?
and don't say
Rushie's.
Rushie's.
What was school like for you? Did
Oh.
the anxiety to have a whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but just when me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so did that kind of something that sometimes...
Yeah, 'cause sometimes
Well, and
I
are
don't-
you spend out the money?
Remember, say me no grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometime me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fair figure at school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, see, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So, you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother home, she did conceive with me as an actor.
I can't
As
manage
an
it, I
actress,
can't
a
do-
matter of fact.
Alright, we should come back
Yes.
over to you. Papa,
Yes.
talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
You
But
not
me
trouble
did
you or
no, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high
You're
school?
not asking about primary.
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary.
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My
When-
grand aunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so. So
Yeah.
your first, I don't want to ask you nothing about when I lose virginity, you know. when, tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember. Me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me never want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in our present
Yes,
life.
when
So,
time me used to do in grade 1, before me go high school at primary, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Because they say me grand auntie wicked in and give me no lunch money that time they have me bed.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out of character yet.
No, you know, give me, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy
street.
is her character though.
Listen, man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with them parents when have it, and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down, and it up on the road. You know once when the sun hot and it melty, or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet. So me go pick up here and eat it with the rock stone them in there and then it fresh.
When this,
no
a
sugar.
liar tell me.
No,
not
God
believe
up at heaven, me I call your name God, because you know say I chew me attack. And me pick up dirty dumpling at school, because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
Rastafari. So we are get some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown
Yes.
films. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about
Actually, him did
how
rich
did
and he
how
did
did
poor.
you did always have lunch money and tell them something down here at school?
Well, me did always have,
So them there.
yeah, me did always have, but me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Can I try that?
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
So when I decide to want to do acting, you know, or a long time?
From,
As a matter of fact, from when you are rich, them are brethren.
long time, before YouTube, before
Before you're born, just say before you're born.
we born.
See them, man, pay attention to
I'm
yourself.
talk to my audience.
Right.
Me know Richie them when they start the movie, but then the time me there behind the scene I watch, and me I say, yo, me not going night. But then me just say, you know, me want to be actor, so me I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
Me no
Candy.
fire them long time. Fry up a bakery and
but
sell
me
movie
say-
and whatever something.
From when you know?
Then bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Then they all
see.
about.
So, apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa I do baking. Best
I do
best
bake.
cocoa bread them in a niggles. And I think, yo, right now, they better than juicy beef cocoa bread them in a.
Exactly.
I swear to you, me not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Sheffield.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield?
side
Right
of the
at
church.
7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and tip you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the cocoa bread them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa is hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
Because
time.
you have a shop for yourself.
Not say that because right
Well-
now, me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make can all help some people who know
Oh,
how to.
I don't want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them I don't feel like say, oh, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but in a whole heap. So when me hear Candy say she wants some help and all. Where
Yes.
you want? Build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you don't
And
have a
if-
shop?
No, that shot they broke down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
When
down?
time me did, you don't know when my shop used to start. You can't see my shop pop down, so I need
So
to tell
pop
you.
downstairs at there?
And you pop down stage that, so you must know we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
Very stuff, alright.
yeah,
So,
true.
well, no, if people might hear and them go and lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can do that.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up by bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about up at the bakery. How is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake, I can do Italian
We
cooking,
can bake too, you know.
You can do Italian cooking.
I can paint.
You can paint. Like
I
bakery
can
I
do
talk about
plumbing.
though. Like bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, eh?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my,
Me love acting.
No.
My acting, me I call in my sleep when me I
No.
sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know Coco
Me a
brother.
sleep
So
and a
you bake
act.
cake and them something
I
like that?
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake gizzard, I bake anything you
No,
can
never
tell me.
know, you never know all of them something, that's true. You
I
never
bake,
know.
I
You
bake the
never know.
best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than, me don't want to call it, you don't want to sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you
Hut?
don't know that's...
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name.
Caesar?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Me never buy them. Me never taste no pizza where you do. You
No.
never do you want pizza.
That bake you carry out here. Can't they taste it already?
How it
I want a
taste?
little piece of it give me.
How it taste? How it taste? How it
The
taste?
piece when you give me, I want a little piece. You should have given me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions. So I feel like the audience them have a better understanding on the personality now. What high school was like, because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school, that's when you start around people who will leap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes on to your personality. So you say how humble beginnings, chewing gum, pandrong and all them kind
Yes,
of
me
stuff
pick up all
there.
the dirty cheese chips them. Me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have
when
gold
it's
spoon in
small,
my mouth,
I
so-
eat
No, I
they go
wasn't have
infant
gold
school
spoon
like
in
you know
my
in
mouth.
a grade
But that-
one. Yeah, me pick up a man.
But
That's
that
me
you don't
hungry.
say.
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father,
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We done talk already?
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk if we talk ain't too much.
Alright, go see.
Akeem,
I
talk.
got it.
Listen to me now. Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much. None talk. Cause when you stop talk, somebody else a talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say
Eh,
now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we need it to do some important stuff.
Candy. No
What?
candy. Me not receive.
They
No
not
money.
have me number. They know
No.
about feel something
Hold on,
fan
where
fan.
Instagram? Where Instagram?
Me not have none. Me not no phone.
Yeah.
Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please.
Oh yeah, I forgot to candy
Sure.
have one. But
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be so nice, good up fans funny. I want to know say
just
Candy.
contact be things on the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So
a
if
phone
you no
is
want to
favorite.
see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them for you make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, as you mean?
Yes.
So she said she want a phone, would
Yes.
buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No left it fall, we are she fall.
No, make nice and make
Nah
it
man, I want to hear them. So that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
minute gone?
ready? My time? Papa.
well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of it. Okay, you know no manners, you know.
Hey,
Sure.
pick up on yourself. Look
So,
more.
bless up on yourself. I know me always love you, know. I love you guys so much. I mean, no someone love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's
next.
how we live.
Alright,
Alright, come on, do the thing now. Come here.
Yeah, what go on there now? See?
Do you have money other day?
Who did that money?
When you know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me tell us I so get a piece of food, man. Me tell us I so get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Akeem.
You ready,
man, a
Tarkat?
freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's the papa? Come in now. So I go on now evening.
Akeem, ask the questions. See we interviewer over there, so.
Me done.
You're not
Don't
chatting.
interview. This is
What? This is what?
team side. No, team side, man. Oh.
Akeem, something. You're all tired and brighty.
Team side. What am I gonna ask you? We just are going freestyle.
Just talk
Alton, they don't
something.
know you have to chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, you have to chat,
That
they
means
know
you
what
you
going
can't
on
ask
with
one
them.
question. Nothing,
But they know what going with me.
Yeah.
You no dumb.
Oh, people. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good, right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch out, candy. I think it's a phone, a full phone on for me. Look on this. No. If
See my phone. Then if I'm not no phone, I even somebody will give me one phone and give me this, I mean but I want it.
Alright, so
I
see,
rather do it though.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People, me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tell you, I put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. And my ears, it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command for the man channel. Just subscribe and no matter with the foolishness. Subscribe. Because that's how in time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, because I tricky people, come. No, you're not really tricky, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality, you understand? I'm an entertainer. No, you can come in, you can come in. So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Richard, bro, and our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, mosquito bite and
Oh.
and all these things.
What history?
Yeah, give me one history where
telling
you
you now.
come from.
Alright. When we are doing forward from the left high school,
Which high school, like?
Froome High School. I used to go Froome technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So from left high school, there so in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in
Richard,
peace, rest in peace,
in
Aunt.
peace. Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can me go wedding now from start go wedding and go on normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause. You know.
Floor is yours, have the floor,
You
people.
can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. So yeah,
You can say when you little you used to
I
crazy
used to go to Froome Technical High School. Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go wedding, go hotel, and then me. So no, so we in our business long time. But official professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one of me, I want interview with Fire Ass, you know. When the first movie he do named King Kush. King Kush, that was his first movie with Fire Ass. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's on YouTube, same way, on different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What do you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period then we do that.
But
that
King Kush,
interview.
you know him them
Talk
time.
front about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard through your animal cousin. Talk to the people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere I mean, I know you're
Is it
nicer
so
than
far you come from. but
Richard cuter than you.
I just
You have candy. We don't want a bad man, man. Think. Hear me, I say. Are the girls, man, this. Anybody want to
Keep
take
on one
it?
side of me. Move.
Watch out, my guy. I'm in night.
Man him a look.
Nah, look nobody.
Man alert.
So, yeah, from your start, shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
Me this camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of the talk in the camera, you know. If you see it, true.
How
Couple
why?
months ago.
You afraid
No, me shy man overall. I'm a DJ and it's so sad. So sad, me so
I have
shy.
some camera we buy people. Me not
But
wrong, you're
yeah.
afraid of them.
So, Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell them to have on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Me tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that, I used to act, not true?
Yeah, man, you see in a movie, man. Me one by one, me a police long time in a movie, I beat up boy long time, most years ago. You know, they tell them I did Lily and fine, so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But I know me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say, since here, February, more than time there. That time I'm really done it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm done it often. But a
long time. Yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamaican City. So, you see me? I'm just saying,
That about acting long time and beat up. From school in St. Used to go.
He forgot everything so quick.
And that about the acting on beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Somebody ask us say how your life changed.
oh, yeah. So, the reason why I'm there so still do acting now is just got through a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey, what you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing in him said, come, say it again, my boss. What you say?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
Got through a little relationship problem, so.
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
Pass through that stage already, man.
Okay.
Single now, isn't me?
You see?
Ladies.
You know one time when I ask me if you're single, man, I tell him say I have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? Do you give me girlfriend?
Me think, that me think, say this.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me now?
I like women.
Oh, just every
That's
woman?
Just it. Women.
So,
I love
hold on
women.
now, I feel like a trouble that, you know. As in, hold on, I tell you and then you can probably want to rebut you can come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get to a woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like, every woman
I feel love every woman.
You see me? So your type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell us some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah, that go on, relationship pass and gone, so me have time now, so me kind of dedicate myself now to the work, shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, I don't candy their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes.
Okay.
I was a bad
When
boy.
I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was,
No, me no want to be like
I
him.
was
It's
a bad
when
boy.
they throw seed, man.
I was a bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
But you have
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes. Alright. Go over to Paradise Nation, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you know what I see me, I go out with myself over there. Go over there, subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No, yeah.
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
Lord of Jesus. Don't stop it. No,
Kiss her.
God, I can't manage it no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
I came my coat.
Sorry.
That's
Alright, so yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence, that's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jamaican City. We have a lot of video production with the company here, but it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, I kind of have a flow now, so Candy,
Jesus Christ. God
take
help
flow
me.
girl,
Take you,
take flow, take
No.
flow.
Alright, so
no.
people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown films
If
to
you
get closer to them personality, you see?
If you want to know more about me,
So
go over my
over
page.
Paradise Nation it name?
Yeah,
Alright, yeah.
entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to tell me if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel, see? Later.
Me
My
want to see
God.
Candy in a one silk
I'm
dress.
out. Love you guys.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress. Talk truth. You know what I'm saying? Take off the jeans and talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know what? Me first put her in a one video though. Me first put her in a one video.
You have a nice personality.
Oh, they were good.
No, man.
They're blushing.
I love compliment ladies. I love ladies.
So how long you follow Lexi? How long you
A long time.
And I'm a fan of her now.
I must say, I'm your biggest fan. I was all
And true, I can show me a fan more than the whole of them.
Yeah?
I can ever hype him.
Yeah.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah.
Bigger
Look
question.
here.
That's a number one.
I didn't know her from Dangerous. I didn't know her from Dangerous. Where you know her from? You know her from before I come here?
No,
That's me, but she's
just me.
lovely.
But she have a nice.
Yes,
Out
sir.
of every girl I
You have
see
to take one
already, she.
picture. You have to take one picture with me so that we can make Tori jealous.
I'll say go.
Okay?
You
You can make Tori
smoke one
jealous.
picture, what you do?
Take one picture.
Come. Taking a photo of them. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Cheese. I'll do a light behind him. Light on the face, I'm trying to get it there.
Nice.
So no
We're
start.
gonna make Tori jealous of the shore. So yeah, man, let's do the best.
We're gonna get those. One different pose.
Kiss.
Yo.
Alton, you're such a pervert. Alton is such a pervert. Let me cut your split.
So, you finally get to meet one of your fan them on your what I call it, you know.
Richard, gone though.
Yeah.
Yeah, gonna make a video video.
Alright, ready? We don't have anything in here. I'm leaving you guys, unfortunately. I have to go right
Tell
now.
when your birthday.
My birthday is... It's actually Sunday, but I'm celebrating it on Friday, guys. So, you know,
Yeah,
come
September
out,
girl, right?
No, October. October 3rd is my birthday, but October 1st at the party, the John's Construction. Make sure you post this video for now so they can know from Penn Road. Come support it.
Right.
Yes.
So let's see.
Let's go.
Oh, it is on the market to do the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I use something else apart
Richard
from
is at care. I want at care to do this.
Oh, Richard gonna win.
And if you do it
How many are you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, you have to do it tomorrow.
We can do tomorrow then, Carol. Because we are coming far and I'm going to
Yeah, you can do it when I get when we are leave.
So let's see. Second time down in the place.
January, January 4th is
everybody
my
case,
birthday.
Talk to
What you guys giving me for my birthday?
Hold on.
I say you deserve a glass of milk.
No? 5 minutes though.
A glass of milk for your birthday. Just not something normal, nothing like, you know, out of boundary.
Just a nice glass of milk.
Nice glass of hot milk.
Hot milk?
Yeah.
What's going on?
We don't do it.
What? Alton, what I feel look like you know, the thing in your body, you know. But you say no, I think.
Yeah, so your second time down here filming. How you feel? What go on? Tell about it.
Me just always active and ready up to act in a matter. I be a sweat, me sweat from last night. Me a sweating again.
I
sweating. Oh Jesus. I must be a sweat, me a sweat. And then the funny I look like
Sweat like we did that.
So how this feel like something long term?
in terms of what?
Like to me, you know, I just want to film a video for you until
Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, as soon as I buy up my equipment for filming and you
tell
know.
them so they can donate too.
Listen to me, yeah, of course. Let me tell you something.
Which part the Instagram?
I am going to be next to Richard. Me tell fire friend last night and I come, but you know, I'm take my time, I work, you know, and said way. You know, when my things start, I go get my own after them, everything. It's gonna be the best
You know what's
entertainment.
differently though? Yeah, but I'm not people. I first seen you come here we have so much, you know, facial expression, like embody the acting so much, like wedding.
Yeah.
Like,
So nobody not come and beat me.
like how me measure it, like you just embody the character more than like some form of shyness in the other people. To me, that's my
No, but
opinion.
we have to see that. We're not checking levels. Let's see.
Experience.
Experience.
A little. Remember, I've never been in a show before.
You have to go take some picture for your reason, because not any picture that's more, right?
We don't take it on the camera.
That's what she had to do, but she want to figure
No, take it on the camera and send it to me.
Take it on the camera.
She wants to
Anytime we
make
take
my
picture.
friend
Hi.
Anytime we take picture on the funny camera.
How are you?
I'll send them.
Can pour morning stuff please?
Unfortunately, there isn't another phone.
You know why I take the picture of them so?
Hold on, I'm not here. Where is it now?
You don't want to make you jealous, too? You want to make her jealous more.
Oh, yeah. You want to interview to the fish show?
Oh, wait.
Where you from? Where you from?
The camera? Use the camera?
Yeah.
Portland.
Hold on.
Alright. That's something too bad. That's something too bad.
If I what?
Message me
on portrait one.
on Instagram. It's the same as here.
You can go closer with the middle part, that's all.
With the breast part.
No, like that's all.
Yeah. Same.
You want
Watch
to take
fire.
one in a-
Ready? We're there in us. Yeah, we're there in us too. Yeah, man. Good. So
Let me see
Yeah,
them.
we all the time say man a photographer.
Let me see it now.
DM me on Instagram. Not forward talk.
Yeah, that you coming now. That you coming now.
This is when me coming now. This is when me the first scene.
That you coming now. Fire, that you coming now. Hey, fire. I'm gonna ask you now, can you love
Where you want
misplaced
to one?
argument?
I pray now.
There. We have to use that. Take a picture of what's in there. I remember saying you should get the viral call.
The what? The what?
The viral call. Viral call. The call when you call.
Call about the vial, the medicine thing.
When
Yeah.
them call it, who call them have to answer back.
Oh,
When I go over there.
Okay.
But you're not people.
we can do it tomorrow. We gonna come on fire. We gonna come tomorrow morning early.
See?
And they will come in the morning. They can
Come
finish.
on.
They can finish shoot all we have to do between the morning and then they can have course. I have to go back home.
Go over it. You know,
Bye,
You know,
guys.
so much love in your phone.
I make my boy do one bag of something.
Later.
Alright, baby.
Can I miss
Be
you?
safe.
Picture I go take.
Yes, yes,
Bye-bye.
that is it. Yes, that is it.
Go.
I love her so much. Never go for the door. Lexi, tell me something about you that not many people know.
If you're going to do an interview, I would implore you not to do it in here. Do it on the outside.
Okay, go ahead. Good quality mic, I forgot to plug that. Look after that. So people ever tell us, say, yo, when them see you, like when people see you for the first time, they always say, yo, me think you did taller.
Always.
Always say that.
Like, I don't know if I'm tall or I'm short, honestly.
No, you're short. Can me short, I'm taller than you. So, you're short. But anyhow, Lexi, you're no stranger to Jamaica.
Never.
So, what me want you to tell, we know, tell us something where you don't really tell. Around a whole heap of people might not know that something about her. But you don't mind having them.
I don't want to talk that on camera. I don't want to talk that on camera.
One little hint then?
I'm a body.
Alright. So, your high school. You talked about that in the last video? No.
No, I did talk to you in a Paradise film. Paradise Mission. My high school, well, I went to the Albertson High School, which is located in Top Trelawney, Albertson. Yeah, the best country school with the young them there was strong. So, and
Manning's the best country school though, yeah?
Manning's in the country, Manning's Hill, also.
Yeah, right down at South there, country. Yeah. So you used to be an A student in high school?
I am not gonna tell anybody I was an A student. I was, alright, when we just getting aggressive, you have A, B, C, D, E. I was in B.
Oh, so that one B student. So, you know, you probably hang out, like where do you hang out, like during lunchtime or probably after school?
Yes, so when we just got high school, like, alright, coming from primary, you know, coming from primary, I'm going aggressive. Remember, you know, you saw me there primary school, I always hear them say, oh, when I reach high school and you're aggressive, I go get beat up. And them usually make me afraid of high school. So when me touch an aggressive, me did shy, no sense, afraid, whatever. When me get for like broke out, I know say no girl can like, well, me never bother nothing. Me not go say me never no fight, you know, but you still could come go like you want this me. So all of that coming about grade 9.
But you're not involved in no controversy at high school though?
1 and 2 times, but I never nothing serious, so I can look back and I say, yo, the fight there, you know, we are pitney, we are fit in a little conflict, but I never nothing big. Me never no big war.
Nothing where whole school know you for it?
No, not where I was
Oh, see.
always just I just drama. The old school know me for my talent, acting, drama, whatever. That them know me for. Them never know me for no fighting or whatever. I used to love trouble people and laugh after them. Nothing too serious to come war me though, because you know say I saw me stay.
So differently though, the first person that is not a relative, but try if you know a relative already in your life. Outside of family, people,
Yeah.
for somebody where you can remember try want to be a part of Lexi life. I don't know if I want a friend or whatever.
Part of my life, like in what way? Comes
You know, like, I don't want to say man and make it look a little bit too
Yeah.
cliche. But say
Like in
somebody just
friendship?
rate you and like and say, oh, John, I want to roll
like you're
with.
talking in general friendship.
Yeah, like,
and man.
yeah, in general.
Yeah, me usually have best friends, yeah, but you know, like now, I don't really have a best friend. Well, me have a close friend, but true, me wouldn't say, me would call her, because from high school we are roll, isn't it? But
Tell me
friend
about
thing, I
that.
never really like my thing.
So, hold on, it never work out, it no.
No, me and her is still a friend now.
So, yeah, tell me about that one, because remember several friends say me I talk about the teamwork thing, you know, so me all come back down too.
Alright, to be honest, let me be honest with you. When I was at high school, me usually have friends who do what me do, acting. And I did love that. When me left school now, like to find a friend we love when me love, it never happen.
Rough.
Rough. You never find nobody who love camera and want act or whatever, like who have a passion. Like I think that I click with persons who do what I do.
Yeah.
Like if me a click now, alright, say me a click, you see me? And you love go party. You just do the opposite thing from me. I mean, it's not going to work because I go always their own camera, whatever. You go shy and say, Lord God, no make you camera catch me. I not depend them something.
Yeah.
I don't really like them something they turn me off. So, I never really like say, me have no friend with who, you know, like, but I have a friend here from high school. I still have a friend, you know, from high school and things.
And the friendship strong.
Yeah, man, me and her good, man. Or sometimes she go on like she not sense, but we good.
Alright. So about the man part of it now, I can't imagine the kind of man who can manage you. I can't imagine it.
Oh, you know so. Listen to me. Me a done. I'm a done. And like me not really alright. Me not really want talk my love life.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very private girl.
Yeah.
Very, very private. But I think out of all my life, I only love about two smaddy.
John, no.
And the one and the current relationship.
A different militancy that my boss. Big up yourself.
And the recipe. No, me I thought like when me say out of all of the relationship them, X out the 1 year one meeting like the
Brother,
current
I don't
one.
know if woman can say what you just said a while ago.
I truth.
Yeah. Is it me?
It's the truth. And the thing about us, like we Jamaican women, as if when we say certain things, we're not gonna say, oh, me sound like a whore or whatever. It has nothing to do with harlot or whatsoever. Because I know every man can get up and say, oh, every girl I made we did in love. No, every boy we me ever talk to, we never in love. I mean, we just have fun and him go film way, me go my way, and them can tell us so.
Simple. Big people.
I just big people and big
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
right through.
Alright, different. I find man argument. Because we don't even want to tell them nothing more. See? So about reading. You like reading?
You know, me love to read, but I don't read a lot. And that's, me consider myself lazy. But yes, as soon as me drop in at the right, because I remember me telling you, me I go have my own entertainment with my own talent. My own production team. You know, just like how Richard Avuno, whatever. That's soon coming I play. So, yeah, man.
Like read, like who, like you don't read a lot, but
soon as me drop in that direction there, you know me have to go read a lot. Because one thing with Fire, he reads a lot.
What you like read? What kind of material I like read though?
I like romantic drama.
Like a novel thing?
Them have something called Wattpad. The romantic story them I make it when you read you just I love read them something. I love read dramatic and all of them something. And I love horror shows. You see action movie, Gunna Bus and Arrow, my thing that. And apart from that too, man I come with him bike. Yeah, so apart from that, I like comedy said way. I like every genre. But my main thing is I love action shows, I love horror, and I love like you know them what am I saying now? Drama. Like drama thing.
So Lexi, between me and you, who win $1 million? Yo, top player with me, man.
Wait now. The reunion I come up soon. It's gonna be live. So you go watch and see who are going, who are get prizes, and remember I know we're not getting a prize or not. So when the reunion come,
say allowed to say them something now? They allowed to tell me when one
No, I don't know when is the reunion, but it soon come. So when he come, we know who win.
So you think, alright, nothing about no release and no video where the public don't know about where you can share it or allowed to share it. If you know about.
What do you mean?
Like me don't know no new, like long time now I don't see no new video on Cashman TV or 876 thing.
Remember, 876 is a one TV reality series. You don't have anything else where them produce. At least I don't know.
But it not done, it not finished yet.
You know, actually now watch you know. Let me ask you a question. You pay for the 12 point whatever for
Oh no,
exactly.
no.
So you can't go nowhere. You can watch it on my phone though.
Okay.
But we had episode 12. I think that's the last episode or what.
Oh, so everything not come on YouTube or that? Oh,
No,
okay,
that's why I'm
okay.
not get it wrong. Because all of the
Okay.
episodes are on First in Line JA, which you guys have been told to pay the 12 whatever to go and view it and support.
So who you think win a million?
I do not know.
Me say who you think?
Remember,
me never...
me have to say myself. Me can't say nobody.
Oh, you
else.
think you win it?
Everybody I go feel say
So-
them win. What you want me say? That's somebody they win. Me not no faith in myself.
It's alright,
me have to
Pane.
say me win.
It's alright, on the camera. What you say? Can me feel like you win it, you know?
No, you can't say that. You know.
You say me can't answer that. Lexi say me can't answer that. Me blows
Alright,
are
you're
scared.
willing to say that. You're willing to say that. You're willing to say that, but nothing wrong. Cause other people that say, alright, you know, say a Dino winner, a Valdo winner, a Sicily winner, a hot dog winner. Anybody can.
You know,
say
friend,
win.
when me feel like say you win, me see them do one video, me see you see a thing where you see anything me put my mind, you see something about, you see anything me say me I go do or anything I just
I
that
think
me I go
that
do.
part is a confession. That you watched. That was a confession.
Yeah man, I look myself, you know, so I feel like other girl that win the blouse and skirt money make him talk so.
But no, what me say a while ago, when me say anything I put my mind to, that is in general. Like anything I put my mind to, I go do it. If it take long for do, if it take 3 years for do, me go do it. And
Okay.
that with me. So I mean that is just in general.
So if a family, if a friendship, if a boyfriend, if a business, from Lexi put her mind to it, it go happen.
No cap.
So in the future though, that one have like we have 5 point though. In the future though, like what you think you want? One boy or one girl? Come I know you want kids.
I want a nice baby boy.
Nice baby boy. Why not one girl though?
I want a girl, but I think I want a boy first.
Why a
I
boy?
love boy pitney.
Yeah,
I
sir.
love boy pitney.
Alright, good.
Baby
good.
boys, I love them.
So, any man who listen to Lexi and hear that, well, not any man still, because she in a relationship. So, yeah, I think I like that. Thank you for your time again, Miss Lexi. Anything we want to tell the people?
You're always welcome. And guys, remember to always check out my Instagram page. It's the same, Lexi the Best, YouTube. You know, say sooner or later, me just at, you know, like when the man them a drive and then just make a solid turn, like, I saw me I got turn to YouTube. Like, me not say, man, that's your Instagram, you know, but when you not go see, I don't really want to talk business, but the turning to YouTube and the short film.
Tell which channel do, because then good I don't know
Like you say,
what's
Lexi the Best. I'm Lexi the Best on every social media platform. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube,
How that man?
Lexi the Best.
How that man?
Eh?
How that man?
Mr. Alton.
What experience with this man?
Girl them God man.
Bombard.
Girl them cassava.
I say you go.
I saw him say him label himself, so me I say.
Okay, girl them cassava.
I'm just a normal person though.
What them labels in the movie them, the galleys. You ever the girls them man. So you will say me no know. Me no know.
But me not nobody.
Good luck with you and that.
Correct that. I'm not edit that out, dog. I mistake you make.
So
Alright, I'm not gonna repeat it. But I think the camera here loud and
How have
clear.
you been since I've been here though? You give me some bomba lick, you know, some
you know,
some
say really
slap.
and truly, me not feel good because I know me never really fix you up properly. Me give mostly this with the gun, like me did one punch you up, like just some
But them
punch.
box them last night and I don't know normal box them.
Fire them no lick. I want me go so with the book.
What? When you did that at school, did you always want to become an actor? You always want to involve in a drama?
Listen me, let me tell you something. I wanted to become a solid actor. Right now, me I work for my crime.
The crime?
Yeah, because you see the thing about it, me not have a history of sadness.
Okay.
So I not like me have a bag of things for reminisce and stuff. Me more cry. Me never really have a bag of sadness, you know?
Alright, so differently now. So can we are talk about this thing serious?
Me not cut it. Really and truly, you know. I do comedy, but me love acting more. To be honest, me just do comedy because me can do it. And you know, remember, you know, you're not no limit. For you can do something, you go and do it. So me do it because I can do it. But really and truly, my thing is solid hardcore acting. And my thing that.
Acting.
So
Right.
Lexi. Alright, that's what I say.
Can you act and
So we formalize the thing. I don't know if we have no school at Jamaica where can give a certification for the arts where. So you do that? You do that?
You know, so from me there high school, I wanted to go to Edna Manley. Me even go up and go online.
So apart from Enda Manley, is there anywhere else where you can get accredited certification?
Yeah, but Edna Manley to me at the top. So I did
yeah.
somebody always say I go and thing. I may go up and online and I done with the resume.
You know what I like about you sometime too? I remember say that in general. Zine, why not instead of go UA, go UTech and show them say you can have just as brilliant students attend UTech as you'd have at UA. So what me I say is why not frig Edna Manley and go somewhere else because you seem like a natural talent.
So that me I try to say right now me not say me hype
So you
or
need them
cocky.
again?
I don't need Edna Manley. Me can sharpen my own pencil.
Okay.
Can sharpen my craft, you know?
I think so still, but anyways, yeah.
Well, that's true. Cause you know you got some people up there with
Yeah.
future things where you don't know.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you have big actor out there who name go Edna Manley.
Alright, so-
And when you look on them and somebody will go Edna Manley, them bigger. So
Close the video for me, my friend.
People left college and I work at call center.
and I work at call center. You crazy?
Just for an example.
Yeah. Me no want nobody who work at call center feel like say
Let me
they
say
work
something.
inferior
Wait,
or
no,
nothing like that.
I'm
You
go
know.
talk
You
to
see me?
man about the call center business. Let me tell you something, guys. Call center money is not a big money. You guys are listen to me.
Depends on which one.
Wait now.
Well, I want to try as best as possible if nothing make nobody who work at call center feel offended. Yes.
No, this is no offensive. This is the truth. Let me tell you something. As I say, certain position at call center pays, but we're talking about the minimum. The one them we just sit down. We are talking about them. You guys should be getting more.
Yes.
Una
Well,
fear
yeah.
get more money.
The
And
dealings
wait, no, me not done yet, car. You see them, and listen, I not only call center. You see Chinese people them too. Uno in the Chinese place a stick out thing, and a pack this. Uno fear get more money. How much you think Chinese pay a
Government
week?
make it
Tapping is we not reach our government yet. How much you think the Chinese them pay the people them a week time?
5,000, 6,000.
No man, Aki, now how much every 2 weeks?
Why?
For the Chinese are every week. How you go?
My thing
About
start.
seven
Around
grand a
8
week.
grand.
A week.
Remember, say government used to pay
Listen
me
me now.
So me no.
Now your thing too, police fear get more than what them a get.
No, gosh,
as a
man.
matter of fact now, call center get 8 grand. No, I'm Chinese people 8 grand a week. When I sum up your fear every day for them they are like 1 week, then you have to find out one lunch and all them something. There. What is $8,000?
Nothing.
$8,000 is
You can't
nothing.
even go to supermarket with
You
8,000.
can't even go to supermarket with the 8,000 and
So, but when you buy a supermarket a week time, Lexi?
Like what you mean?
Like,
Buy a
no.
grocery come to all $13,000. Remember me young, you know. Me not live for my own, me live with my mother for now. But me still have me look at money when me go shop. Because you know, I want my different snacks. I want my own thing. I not eat up my mother things. But when me go to the supermarket and me buy things, $13,000, $12,000. And uno not, if you want, I not see the bag of grocery and uno they sit down on the body, I do this and I do that and they pan cash.
I not cost them. But anyways,
Listen me.
may I get bored of this now?
Look out pan them.
No, lick out
People
pan
them
them.
to get more money. And,
Why?
and I think you guys are too comfortable with it. And
Why?
that's the problem. You sit down and take the little money.
Yes.
Akin,
Lexi,
yeah,
yeah.
one of them with them brainwash where you
Lexi,
don't want to talk, you
right
have to
there.
talk.
Lexi.
here.
No, I know that. I'm tell you one to understand. This is certain battles, you not take it up. You see me? Not take up certain battle, left it alone.
I am
Not even share your
fighting
opinion.
battle. I
Not
am
even
just
share your
fighting.
opinion.
Listen
But we have an
You see
opinion.
it now? You know you're still in the slavery mentality because you can't even talk for your own rights. Come
No,
on,
me
Akin.
cut cheese and peas. Me do that already. Me do that already.
Then
Me do that.
if you not do it, you do it already. Me not do
There's
it
certain
yet.
things
Me
you
not go
can't
do
say.
it now.
There's certain
Me
things
know
you
you
can't
can't say.
But,
But in them
alright.
stamping me in the system.
No.
You know like you take you pick them up.
Just start one topic now.
Alright,
Alright.
alright,
Start one topic.
Alright, Lexi, can we talk about something more sensitive now?
But
Zine.
what I'm saying is sensitive.
So-
I am representing my black partners, my black sisters, and
Okay.
my black brothers. You guys, forget more pay. That's why me work
You're-
on my own, you know.
Your mother would be proud of you.
That's why me work on my own. They
Alright,
collect my
then.
own dividend. No government can't
Alright,
call me and say, oh, you're getting paid the 30, whatever.
Alright, thing.
That's what that. You,
Lexi.
me want to get paid when me want pay. No, you not pay me when you're ready to pay me, like say. Are you birthday? What you say now, sir?
Good, me like how you talk that. As me say, we talk about mother and you talk about birthday and thing and thing. Tell a little bit about mommy. Is it what relationship with mommy too?
I kind of get like an attitude from my mother.
You see?
He love run joke to and give joke.
She
and
short,
stuff.
see me?
Yeah, she short bad.
Your father shot too?
No, my father tall.
Are you bestie? Like, what relationship with mommy? Tell her anything.
No
like,
man, mommy a G man. Mommy is a mommy me can't say, yo, mommy, me I go there so I do a shoot. Alright. I know somebody will call on my phone. I am not saying that she fit do it, but as she say me, I tell her the truth, the relationship we have. And she and somebody will say, Lexi, we get it. And
somebody we have to worry about.
she trusts her daughter. She knows her daughter know understand the
She knows
ground.
me a thugs and me know fi
She know a choppy.
go
Yeah.
through the ground, you know. So she not fear call me phone like me no Christian pitney with teeth out and gun a man yard. No, she not do that.
So, what about daddy? If you can't talk about daddy, just do so.
Daddy now, I still vex with my father. I will let me and him go through. The man they too strict with me. Too strict. And them know. When me did younger, me grew up with my mother and father. When me reach grade 11, my mother leave him and me live with my mother. Come in, you know.
Alright, yeah man, I don't got too much on that. So, no close the video for me now, no people. Come close the video now, no, like.
Yes, people, thank
And
you for
the
watching.
video smoke.
Thank you for watching.
YouTube.
Listen.
I don't have much time in that to do that still, so then
Thank you for watching, people. This is Lexi.
No, you're vlog this I go fan. I want it to, you know. Come on, put you.
Alright.
What I was gonna say, Akin Lawrence. What my last name Akin? See, me know my last name, you know. I don't know for me. My last name is Williams. But people, Akin Lawrence is where I know on there right now. And I'm so when in my interview me feel comfortable. Did you feel comfortable when I was interviewing you?
Yeah, man, always this nice.
Right. So people, I want to make sure you subscribe to the man thing, because someone will come and watch and now. It does hard for you to click the subscribe button and watch out the something them and come back and re-watch the something them and watch the ads them and be comfortable
and like them,
and
right
like up and comment. Just do the right, people in the ad, you know. So everybody have to make them food. So it was nice talking to you guys.
You want me both of your bread?
And we have Mr. Alton, Paradise Nation. Alright, big up on yourself, people. I'm out.
Say no, this size of a stop. Slap me now.
Your body does feel chubby.
Where bread will let Lexi have that?
Very nice.
Where bread there?
Which bread?
Don't you mean say something about? Oh, never mind. Little more people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. My God. I can't handle this temperature. It is crazy hot out here. Good. Are we in focus? No, you see, Adams, as a matter of fact, morning people, morning, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. We get some positive energy first. So before I actually tell you what this video is about, when I start the record now, I see the brother walking and I say, oh, John must start. Chaja. God bless him still. Go pray for him. We pray for him. And pray for yourself. Pray for everybody. Chaja. Well, anyhow, people, big up on yourself. Blessed morning. Welcome back to the channel. First time over here. My name is Akin. So in this one, as a matter of fact, I'm at Montego Bay, St. James right now. I'm in Montego Bay, St. James. Pit 4 to be exact. Reason why we're at Montego Bay so we can pick up Lexi. Can you recognize our people? Yes, so that is Lexi. I don't know how I catch the BTS, but I will see what go on. Continue. Come on, man. Forward with me. Oh, remember to like the video. If you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. Do all of the good things them. Share it on your social media platform. I'll get into the video.
I feel like more left. Take it as an advantage. Not because the girl are crying or something that means you go.
If I only chance I get to take it. You never get a next one.
Talk to me about that scene there. Introduce yourself first, because I don't know who you know.
The scene.
Hmm?
The scene I just do?
Yeah.
No, I can introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what just happened.
Okay. Hey guys, good evening.
Hold on. No, it's like I want transformation, like I want total different smart chip now. Like.
Yeah, man, that's it.
I camera.
Fierce, confident person just come on screen.
Okay.
Ready?
Really long time.
Hey guys, good evening, greetings to you all. I'm your girl Lexi the best. You can call me Lexi. And I'm here with Richard Brown. You know, we're filming a video, we're filming a movie, and the movie is about a friend zone. Like, I keep on put my friend in a friend zone, but really and truly, he want me and a quiet. But I want my man, you know, and my man, he want me, I really want him because I have him as a friend. And we've been friends for around 15 years, or in can't tell him, because I'm really a couple of years then. So.
And if
Here,
if
woman, I broke my
things-
heart.
And what?
Sometimes make it stronger.
What much of things?
If
Yeah, man, all the time.
Fuck up things. Oh, okay, so no
Yeah, all the time.
F-U-S.
yeah, you mess up things sometimes.
Most time.
If you do it the wrong way.
But I personally think the men out there, if the lady's crying to you because of what
Do not
her
take
boyfriend is doing,
advantage.
do not take that as an advantage. I consider you guys as weak men.
Yeah,
Don't do
unless,
that.
unless you can make the situation better.
Listen, don't listen to Fire. Don't listen to him. That's not nice.
Just like revenge something there. When you go revengeful and say I will do it and now you get the best love or best thing you can ever find.
Listen, if she doesn't, alright, remember you know you're not a friend. If she don't want you and she want her man and her man keep on her, probably abuse her and if she not push it on to you and say, listen, the man I do me this, so I think you're the one. If she not do that, nobody force her and take advantage.
She's not going to do that.
You have some women who will do it.
Why they would do that?
Like, alright, I'm not saying I'm gonna push up in her, but if she not, if you not say she not really make no move towards you, and
Yeah,
she
but
just
you-
have you as a friend,
Well, I know.
just stay as a friend.
You ever hear of
No.
But
Right.
it's unfair though. It's unfair.
Remember, you guys are friends, so not because the lady I get abused, that don't mean nothing change about the friendship.
Come on, can I tell you something? If I a ball and you are my female friend, come give me something. Yeah, come give me something, but can do me something.
Because I'll be like them.
Alright, you ever hear one female talk about one guy when never see as somebody when I'm there with
Yeah.
yuck, oh my god.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. That's
You know
true.
what I'm saying? So if you don't see as that, you now see as that. In can't now see as that.
But we're not talking about the girls who see the other boys as, yeah, they're nice. What about the nice ones?
You still now see man somebody when I lie down.
No, friend zone is real, you know.
I see you or something.
Friend zone is a zone.
It happens daily, every day.
Alright, if you have, not even friend zone alone, you have like Erawood zone. You come and say era, oh, I'm not that man from my era. So don't come one man say so. Yeah, I just people don't
That's true, because I don't like it either.
No, that man from my era. Maybe come and say,
I don't want him.
you know, a million times. So many times man take era maybe better than
He's gonna be on the streets with other niggas. I don't want to see him every day.
So but then there is somebody we don't know.
You better this one.
You can still know him and out of port, you still know him.
No, let's see, say better than this one you know from morning.
No, that is your opinion.
Yeah, but no, not my own man. You see,
Your opinion.
You know, if he's smart, you know what he do and when he bad and when he do. If you're a good girl, do your thing.
Yes,
girl.
but 90% of what you're saying that doesn't happen on a daily basis. If I realize that in a some community, the boy then go to poke, go carry their girlfriend, the man and the woman them go to poke, go look their man or go get.
So
a man.
really you know chat about the movie?
Not if I move.
No,
Son, I just wanted to surface our
yeah, you know, that's a little
Just find
summary.
that
Just a little summary.
Oh,
But
Zane.
Fire, on the other hand, I don't think you should take advantage of the situation.
It's not advantage.
It is what?
If you enjoy, enjoy.
It's not opportunity and it's taking advantage of the lady. That means that inside you don't care about her then.
Me care about
You
her.
just want to get toward me.
No, me care about her inside. So I massage it. Now massage her inside, I care about it.
Alright, listen up. It's not about inside now, it's about
We go after
how
friends
she
again.
feel. You don't care about her emotion. She's hurt.
More.
So if she hurt, the way not to solve it, you don't use sex to solve it. You caress her and you're like, okay, you make some breakfast.
She like, put on breakfast in the bed here. When she done, she alright.
Alright, listen.
She doesn't tie then. My friend, my tie if you want to be till you get over where you get over.
But you don't have to use sex to get over it.
No, I know, but so many times you do that fast forward. Yeah, you're done. You did about things you start laugh tomorrow. course.
What if she don't want the sex? She consider it as rape. Cause she already get
I'm not
abused.
rape. No, you see, man, I said we did not do that. You know, force yourself. But if you did that,
But remember, say she not push on herself fine.
no, but remember saying that woman is supposed to push, you know. A man, the time woman push, but the other time the man push.
Guys, I'm not gonna do this.
Woman receive. Can you come back? I say neck.
Alright, so people, it basically turn now on conversation about relationships. So right now, we come back to you know. But
No,
make them have them time and we come back. No, come back. So, what me want to know now, Zin? The shooting experience so far. Like a scene or a shoot, how was it?
It was good.
Feel comfortable, feel like you work around people you work with?
Come here, you can't see that.
That's an actor's job. You're gonna work around persons who you don't know.
Okay.
So, just like an athlete, you're around persons who you don't know. So, same thing.
So,
I didn't see what she did. She did very convincing with the crying. Cause when me there behind the camera, me like,
almost,
like she really into it. Like,
And I could have done better, you know?
and people me think me shine another one because
No, man, you're good.
I really have something for me, you know, friends one thing, from birth, you know, friends
You're
one
right.
thing. So,
I said, I was like, put that first.
yeah, man, I have the experience, I have the experience.
Already?
Yeah.
So you should, then if you have the experience already, it's nothing for you to play then.
Tonight, may I say?
Yeah.
Alright, step out.
Action. How fast you got them?
No,
That's the way.
no, that's right. Papa is not. They not show. Alright, just step back down the closer. Eh? Step back down. You not show, man. You go step back down and walk in.
Let me have it.
Yeah, then go straight in. Action now.
Rolling. Rolling or not?
One. Come on. Come on.
Chin.
No, actually.
You like it for some?
How long money? Hold. Tak boleh make sure be light. Pakai light na.
Then I was angry at you, sir.
No, man, light.
Oh.
I don't need to do that. Just turn it on. Oh, upstairs, me. Downstairs. Oh, well. Yeah, lock one.
Go back, sir. Go back.
Let me come on, present to her.
No, she
She first, that's that.
yeah, they're gonna pick up on package here tomorrow. Somebody from deliver something you know.
Oh, well, you can say, hey, why I'm browning? And this is a good thing to see you.
Yeah. Simple mathematics.
I may have something to pick up tomorrow.
I want me to have it.
No, she goes.
Me have a package.
Oh, you want to talk to me?
Yeah, take her.
For there, so I beg her for receive it from me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, pull it down.
No, you can outside. Alright.
Yeah,
man.
ready, let's go.
So I take a walk down there town.
Let's go.
Reverse.
Let's go.
So me must have a package.
Alright, close back the door. Close back the door.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Close the door. Close the door.
And then
Come brother, watch it, Papa. Come brother. Alright, ready now, Lexi? Okay, stop. No, focus. Come on. Stay right there. Alright, just focus. Alright, so you're at the jar, you know, and you are stopper, so go back in and yeah. So go back in and come back, right? So stay right there.
So we can put them back on.
Stay right there. Just stay right there. Ready now, Lexi? Curious, me want to see you on the bed. Open up the door.
I'm daddy.
Oh, sorry, I think this is smart. Me never know. Go back. Me never know who me there. Me there looking like back. Alright, ready now, action.
Burning. Long time I see.
Okay, that's why my girl I work on it someday.
Alright?
Hey, so I look so.
Come on, okay. Let's go on, wipe off this again. Yes, shine. I am sweat like a rock.
Cause it's time hot.
Alright, so take a bottle bag and put it.
Hello. I understand how some man vex anytime I say hello to nobody, but it's alright.
Whoa, wait. The whole thing won. Alright. Control yourself.
Come on, me will find action.
You know, man, you control yourself, man, and kill him out. Just turn him off again like you're going in and come, close your eyes. Okay, stop your eyes. Action.
Hey, girl, you know, say I work on this something. So you look so. Girl, you ain't have to cry.
When would I cry, bro? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yes. Long time.
Okay, how old is he?
Sick, so me call her.
How old is he? Come on, like this one.
Alright?
Yes, so she action, so. You look so you're crying. I said, good man. I said, I'll take a walk up down the road. And then I'll finish that. Wipe our face again. Just keep it working here. You might not want to shine out.
There's something wrong.
So me need look shiny there, so me talk to you about that, so.
You didn't have balls, it's supposed to look so.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good. Oh! Nothing, do that.
Action.
Do that.
Remember someone in the camera, she got.
You're in a camera, come
You
on.
want to pass it out in the
I want to say, I do record. Alright, ready now?
I'm telling you, sir.
Shh, ready now, Lexi?
Why would I cry about him? Girl, I know my friend them.
No, you can't go far. No, she said, why me and cry? No. I said, okay, if you say so, then go to the part where you
Okay,
ask
we
her.
got the kind then.
I am neighbor, you and she are really friends.
Okay.
Oh, man, Charlie.
If you say so.
You just pick up your phone, she said, why would I cry?
No, you said that, so.
She said, why would I cry?
Yeah, she can't just go right back to say, why am I not crying? Then you can say, okay, if you say so, and then tell her about your package.
Okay,
Tell her, wait for me. I didn't hurry,
don't worry.
Slow down, man.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah, slow down, man, slow down. Ready now, camera. Go from the camera. Ready.
Okay, it says still, but anyway, still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I get one package and I'm not going to here because my dentist will receive it from me.
Oh, you want me to collect it for you?
Yeah. Alright then, basically.
Anything specific or anything else?
Well, I'm going to accept the signature and stuff, so you can just put icon now.
Alright, I'll do that.
Alright then.
Alright.
Look at my hair.
Alright.
Yeah.
Lock the door, Ronnie. Come up, your backside. Come up. Lock your gun near the house. Lock the door. Come back. Alright, so go right back to where you pick up a while ago and she said, well, she has to walk.
I'm just like,
You will lock your door too.
Wait, do it. Oh, yeah. What we do? Ready?
Yeah, I hate to do it. Alright, and ready.
yeah, then I'm going to say.
No, go back to where you said. If you say so, go back right back to it.
Okay.
Action.
If I say still, but anyway, still, I receive a package from me. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I got dentist. So if they ask any little thing, I just put my signature IO because I'm not going to be here.
So you want me to collect the package for you?
Yeah, simple as that.
Anything specific you need to know?
Where's something?
What's in the baguette bun?
Come on. Alright, so let's.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to feel so anything I need to know is put it out. Are you want to? You look like everybody you want. You are Harry, you are Tom, you are Sam, you are...
Yo, what are you saying? Why you never know? Alright. The papa, tap dancing because you show me after I don't make sense. Who's got to do that? Like, the man is gone. So, alright.
Oh, God.
Go back in, sir. Alright, no problem. We pick it up and just close the door. Later.
Ready?
Me too. And ready.
Alright, no problem. As I say, alright, Okana? Alright, we pick it up. Alright. Alright. Take care.
Alright, good. I'm just get on far walk. Carry light. Just get on.
Then I get from there, lock my door and go in. So.
Yes, won't get you. Wait. I have
That
your
thing won't shut my door.
No, you don't follow there, you have it up.
Come back, Aki. Come back.
Remember the lock?
So me go in and lock my door and she walk out.
Yeah.
Lock my door again.
Yeah, man, same thing. And action.
Later.
Alright, good. Alright, so good. Come curious, you're on good on that town, right? Curious, okay, Alton. You have a shoe there and me go up. Change my shirt.
Yeah,
Alright.
I told.
Well, can mic come, Papa? You have to hold the mic. Right,
So one of the
Meet and greet.
So lock off me coming on today, you know. Why lock off this thing? I don't lie at that.
Alright. Make it fast, sorry, they're going to look like
Oh.
I can be a man with eyes that look at for a long time. Yeah,
So noir.
Yeah, noir, the eyes that look at. And those, the opportunity time come now.
So you have a get out.
She didn't like him for a long time, but she did have a boyfriend, so she now talk to him, she have a man.
I always have a girlfriend.
Which is about weird, but she after her boyfriend is gone, so I'm
I always have a girlfriend, so your girlfriend
so I can work on weird. I can just work on a weird bomb. It's alright, but we can get a chance because we're using the next change number.
Okay.
So you can back the number and move.
Come on to the people
Then
and
you
like,
come over next time now, do the number. Yeah,
Hey, what's up?
Where's my wife and you?
come on, now I'm sound weird, you know. Come on, sound weird already.
Where have you been?
Yeah.
That's what
I'm
I'm
not
saying.
no man if you want to breathe.
You will just say you wouldn't be no man unless you're single. I hope you're single now.
No, long time.
You know, a long time
Like we have time more, you know. But someone who just work on anything.
My right hand that is flip me out.
This is my left
But
hand.
you know to try to make you laugh.
That's why my wife break up.
You don't tell her you story.
No, I'm not never engaged.
Hey,
I'll tell them never engaged and all this.
Send proposal now.
No, you see that.
I said to my woman to me, you know, you can't just try multiply again. I said to my woman to me, I love her so much. So now
I break your nose too, but you're not done now.
same to my woman to me, you know.
We're not
But
friends.
my woman saying go spend 1 year or 5.
And you not come back?
I don't come back.
1 year, turn 2 years.
2 years.
So you spend 6 months.
I really know what's going on over there, so people look like some of the place burned down. Yeah. Zoom back out. Good evening.
What the fuck? We should run that bundle.
I don't know.
I never see on TV.
I don't recognize our people.
No, I see I was born on the television. I wonder if it. So nobody not live over there?
No, I have no clue. I just noticed it just like you. So, yeah, we'll start with this young lady.
Alternative.
You know, I like you. I like you.
Yeah,
Yeah, alternative. Alton, I'm correct now.
Alton. When this one down?
So we get her now on movie, guys. But more she if you tell her where she get from the movie because. You want a video of me?
Yeah.
Alright, do you think?
Alright, oh no, yes, sir.
Yeah, but it's a record already still.
Clear, though.
Me not focus?
But this clear.
You sure it me not focus?
This on A76 camera, same thing. Right?
No, that's a Nikon. The one we are talking about on Sony. The people blame her later for hold the camera.
Alright.
So, where are they? Interview me?
Want me to press for start record?
Not a record already.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Question.
Hey, what's up?
I'm being questioned by Alexi people. First question.
What's your name, your full name?
Akeem Lawrence.
Any middle name like Akeem?
I have 2.
Can I get them?
Ronaldo Vernon.
Ronaldo Vernon. So why you have 2 middle name? I mean, it's normally 1.
Them say one story there behind it, but them say my parents left out one story right there, so people always tell me. So I figure out something what all time people know about, but I not research it yet. But
Can I ask how old are you?
30.
You're 30-year-old, right?
Yes.
May I ask? Can I
They can ask me anything.
anything?
Anything.
You say you're a police, right?
Ex-police.
So many things are still police.
So you see them out the road, help me up, so.
No man, I thought like you're still a police. So you resign?
Yeah.
Why?
Then call me run with police.
Why you resign?
A long story that.
Anything negative?
Holy. You remember the police? Next question.
The police were then catching at the bus with the lady.
No, not the ice cream police. Not that one. Not that one.
Alright, so what did you do?
One long story. They all over the news. I think all over YouTube. One little bit of that.
With you? What you did? So, me not here. More here now. At least give me a summary of it.
It's rough. I can't say it right now. I can't say it. That one a long story. I have to start talking to you about when I used to work at Moby and transfer to myself.
Alright, so were you a blue seam or red seam or what?
So, when me graduate, I never have no blue seam no more because them did do a merger thing. So
what did you, when not train, what them train you for?
I'm a regular police, so.
That are in the red seam where stop car?
I'm a traffic police.
Okay, so you never do no wrongs then? You never go for no shootout or nothing?
I go for resilience duties, yeah. But the thing I'm trying to explain is that me could have been the one out there would have stopped the vehicle them same way.
Yeah.
Regular police, same way probably.
Did you enjoy your job? Don't say me I cut you.
Them usually say that about me too. So me always a cut off feet. But they don't understand. Anyhow, yeah. If I miss it, or if I enjoy it.
Yeah, if both of them miss or enjoy.
Sometimes. I miss the traffic perks them. I miss. And then normally some place I go there and show you ID then just let it through.
Yeah.
I miss that.
What about how many kids do you have if you have children, I may ask?
Yeah, the question I get personal, I have 2
But
sons.
what about if the viewers want to know if you have kids?
2 sons, 1 daughter.
Oh, you're fire shot man, no more.
Yeah, 1 more baby girl.
You have 2 sons and a daughter. So you want to be 2 girl and 2 boy. Okay, so are you currently in a relationship, Mr. Akeem?
Single, like a hit record.
Why are you single?
I don't know, I'm probably not put myself out there. Busy.
Put yourself out there. So you're on the market.
Yeah, I'm there on the market.
You just put yourself out there like say it's a piece of meat.
Yeah, so that's why you go put yourself out there. I'm single and want somebody probably should not do that. You know?
Alright, so what's your plan for now? I mean, what's your plan?
You know then
like,
say, you move in a silence when you do certain things, but there is a plan. Definitely there is a plan.
Not even piece of the plan we can get. Why so mean and stingy?
It involves cinematography, camera, movie making and all of that.
So what are you now? Since you resigned as a police, what are you doing right now with your life?
Cinematography.
Can you explain that? I don't know the meaning of that.
All aspects of filmmaking. So whether it's advertisement videos, music videos, shot a couple of weddings, even some music video make it onto trending, YouTube trending.
Oh, so you do music videos?
Yes.
So if I have a song and I want to do a music video, I can link you.
Definitely.
So do you have a organization working with, or you have a team for yourself personally, like for you, not you working with anybody else, just a entertainment like for you, like for instance. Or you work with other people?
Same way, Richie, so there's a whole network of...
Oh, so you work with Richards and all of them?
So, how it works is, so you have your website where them book you up if them want weddings or whatsoever. Probably you, there's somewhere busy one day, Richie know me, him say, oh, take that one after me. And you know how it go. Little gigs in the road and them kind of way.
And you're happy with what you're doing right now?
I am.
Any emotional breakdown at some point in life?
Yeah, sometimes I remember some things, me and some people I miss. As I say, oh, John, say it never have to go so. And then more time, I really cut it sometimes. So.
Okay.
But apart from that,
So Mr. Akeem, I'm gonna call you by your first name. What do you enjoy doing apart from, you know, cinematic things?
Alright, it's hard.
Okay, you must have
I
something.
like this though. When the camera is not on, I still like this, interacting with people.
What else? Anything else fun?
No, I just like explore, meet new people, go new places, capture it, watch it back later and reminisce.
So when you were younger, this is what you wanted to do?
Always arts, because usually paint, make music, from ever since. Yeah, so from ever since.
So how about your family members now?
How many?
How about your family members? How are they doing right now?
One next long story again. Zena say, only way I can describe the family thing. I don't have the words right now.
You don't have the words, why?
Yeah, I don't have the words right now.
Okay then. So have you toured everywhere in Jamaica? Where and where you never go yet?
I go all 14 parishes, but I never cover all 14 parishes.
Introduce to you.
Yeah, me I get
Hello.
interviewed by Lexi.
I read it then. Look at this. I'm interviewing somebody at Udad.
In the line.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lexi the best, and I'm here.
I get
Okay.
Boy, Lex. Any more questions like that?
I want to ask you some more question. Do you see yourself doing something else apart from what you're doing now?
I like this, and the fact that you can get paid by doing something you like, it's the most amazing feeling. It's difficult, but it just don't feel difficult, isn't it? Because you like.
Because them always say when you find yourself doing what you love, you'll enjoy it for the rest of your life, and that's facts.
The thing is, I know I won't be able to do this for the rest of my life. There's going to be a point. If I live long enough, I will probably have to stop the video. So that is where the plan that I don't want to talk too much about comes in.
Oh, you don't want nobody know what you're going to do to follow you.
Always move in silence.
A true man, a true. So, have you ever think about doing something else? I think I asked you that question already, but what about doing like a business? Whatever come to your mind when we talk about business wise?
All right, I have a forward thinking, so I always think about Bitcoin. I can't really afford it right now, but I always think about it. So I always try anything I do. I always keep that in mind.
Hey guys, what's up?
$1 one side.
You want to the same live? Really? Hey guys, I'm filming. I film my film.
I get interviewed.
I will.
Yeah, Bitcoin, I just invest in some little business where people have to use probably at some point some apartment. But I feel like I expose the plan a little bit. But somewhere else.
So tell the people where you grew up.
One place called Strawberry, but there are no strawberries there.
Strawberry in which parish?
Westmoreland. Not Shrewberry, Strawberry.
Strawberry.
It's not really a popular place. You know, far up in the country.
Oh, right up the south.
Alright, me tell you how that country is still. If you bring your laptop up there and them hear the voice talking a lot, them think of demons.
What the fuck?
Country there, them far country there.
In Jamaica?
Yeah,
them places exist? I thought them something only I'm not 80.
Jungle justice, if you go there and rap nobody,
then kill you or then you can't rape up there. No rape, nothing. Well, that's good, at least them defend themselves. You know, some community things happen, everybody turn a blind eye on it. You know?
Not that one, then kill you. We actually witnessing something that already. Christian people too, you know, with their ratchet knife.
Right. Alright, so you do YouTube videos, right? So what inspired you to do YouTube?
A white brother from Canada named Peter McKinnon.
There's a lot of white dudes on YouTube who are very famous.
Peter McKinnon.
What kind of vlogs do we
well, him
structure?
get in depth where the editing aspect of it is concerned. So Premiere Pro, that's the editing. Adobe Suite. So then have Premiere Pro where you use edit videos and on export. That whole part of it, the technical part of him, he does that. So he teaches you how to do that video and photography. And the way he teaches it is just seamless to me, and I'm passionate about it. He use it as one way of expressing yourself.
And you watch him like every day?
Whenever I post. As he posts,
you watch it?
Yeah.
So you're a loyal fan to that guy. So how far are you planning on going with the YouTube?
Tell you honest truth, although I love it.
You don't plan to go far with it?
No, alright. Here's the whole thing right now. It's like this. So you know what you need to do to get better, right? So
Yeah.
you keep on practice what you do every day, so that means filming and you know studying everything. So you know what you need to do to get better every day. So you do that and kind of forget about it, so you're on autopilot where that is concerned.
Yeah.
So you enjoy yourself while you're working on the plan. So the end game thing. You see me? So that's how it comes along. It's like every day I do what I enjoy, and that thing that I'm enjoying is helping me to get to the end part of the thing, which are the plan. You know, so you should have done one detective.
Why you say that?
Come in the question them.
Alright.
Like anybody will listen, this video, if them really want to find out what I'm up to, then could have probably find out by the question them they ask so far.
I asked you a lot of personal questions, right? Did I ask your age?
Yeah, 30.
So how old do you think you look?
Probably 45.
Oh God, you don't do that. Really?
Probably 45.
Have you ever think about singing or DJing?
Me used to do that.
You never tell me about that. How was that for you? How did that work
I
out?
used to I'm a church choir, but church thing, alright, me have to stand for something. So church people, I know they start get confusing. So like, I never really know what they stand for, so the whole choir thing never make no sense to me again. So that time I start the DJ, you know. And then the violence thing still never worked for me. So start paint.
Okay, so Mr. Akeem, can you cook? Because you know we ladies in Jamaica like our men, when them up, you know them bad chef, so what can you cook?
Chicken, can fry it, roast.
Remember you love pork, you know?
Can't cook.
Because my sister you love pork, so you must, you can't tell me that?
No, I can't.
Why?
I mean for learn.
No, but to a man who love pork, so you're supposed to can do it everywhere. Jerk, curry, brown stew, roast. Come on.
I just kind of feel like I have all that time.
So you cook though, like you cook. You're a cook. You don't, because you know certain men not like cook. Them afraid to cook. Them say a woman job that, and I don't think so. As a good husband materialist, most you can cook.
As often as I get junk food.
Do you drink a lot? Are you alcoholic? What do you smoke? Tobacco, weed?
Marijuana.
Isn't marijuana and weed the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Marijuana. And you never take no drugs apart from marijuana and
drugs apart from marijuana. You know, say police and me start smoke.
So in the forest, can you smoke?
Yeah.
Have you ever fight in the forest with another police?
No, one nearly stabbed me up though.
Really? How was that?
Yeah. Me tell a story up on my old channel. Long story, you know. So you know, I don't know if you know, but the police ain't sex on the barracks and everything.
What? Like?
Yeah, police on the barracks and everything. They bring their girlfriend over sometime and then sometime.
Oh, them bring their woman pan the ends them?
Yes.
Okay.
But they have this
But
police.
most guys, they not sleep at their yard sometimes.
So I have this police, so I call him house. So my girlfriend come check him, I want to feed him bridging now. We have my bridging same way. We walk, go down the hallway. So we hear like one woman a scream in our room. So the first sound I hear, I assume say, oh, that's a go on.
Yeah.
But when we listen now, we say, no, sir. So I go see the door now. I see the boss of my woman with ratchet knife and sit now.
Him stab her already?
No, like him out for stab her now. You see me, so we call out to him. And he look around now. I don't know him in some kind of raising run, come hold on, like my run, come hold on for me. I say, I have to talk to him and flick out him ratchet knife. And I say, so if him bridging now, if he come around and hold him and tell him to take it easy.
Oh. So why girl do him so?
Why, I don't know, you know.
That's why they see them police, that's why woman afraid for them with them, you know. Because the first thing comes to mind is violence. No matter how the woman treat, I don't think you're supposed to like take out.
I always
you know?
say that. I always say that too. Like, you know,
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Yeah, I like them question. I think I first somebody interview.
Somebody interview like this.
And me always I do interview.
How else me can ask you now? Ooh, my boy them come.
I'm ready now?
Then just come.
Alright, so perfect timing.
Yeah,
let's switch for your interview now. Come.
My face one pat now. But you deal it well.
So, Lexi that from 876 just run the first interview on my channel. Interview me. Oh, so then reach. So them I film one movie. I'm supposed to play some best friend to Lexi. So she friend zone I think I'm moving in.
Get too much subject, go to college, come out and still have to work at call center, brother. Now work no day after they do with their subject and their degree. What you tell me, say?
Hold on there. I see him live on the pan.
Yeah.
Come here, Lexi. Alex, if I see him live on the pan, I never realize. How I go?
Let's figure out how they're going to stay alive. We're having a discussion about education or elevation. Which one carry through life?
Why, I don't know still.
Which one?
I don't know.
Because you
Money.
can't have 15 subjects and have no money, you know.
Yeah.
And the man who have no subject have more money. Exactly.
It has to be elevated.
Exactly. I'm not going to tell you about education.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Remember that you're crazy. After elevation.
Elevation take it to life.
Elevation.
Yeah, not education.
Listen, you can have nothing at all.
I have everything.
And have everything on elevate. A whole heap of people out there don't have a person, but what? Them have more than the rich. Them have more than
the system, the Jamaican system.
Enough
people
got college. The system too much.
Enough people got college.
the system couldn't make me poor.
Hey.
All if me have one subject,
Yo.
couldn't make the system one million. You're crazy.
If you tell some people how
I'm a
Jamaican
hustler.
system, if you tell some people
Yeah,
overseas
like
how
that.
Jamaican
Yeah.
system stay there, ball your water and then give you.
No,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want the system.
That's why the people them are run with off foreign. I be a runner them
Bad
run
man.
with.
Me not comfortable, brother. Me not.
Yeah, so because all of them something that really affect me kind of hard for jumping at them kind of conversation. You know, because I don't think politics or government are don't control how me make money. That just all depends on me. I'm Lexi over there pretty up. So, when I two questions too much. We understand about the movie where I shoot.
A friend zone is a friend zone thing. So I'll be like, me a friend zone a boy. That happen every day in Jamaica. You know, friend zone.
Well,
Yeah.
say a friends with a boy.
Right here. Hi guys.
The people in the here.
Welcome back to Jamaican family.
Yeah, family. Okay.
Which part with the guys.
I don't know, I'm just there, you know. I'm just there. Which you tell me about the White House? No, give me Pepsi now. I'm not telling you Pepsi. Come in. Come in, give me Pepsi.
How many Muslim you?
Tell me the record.
Ready.
I say zoom in.
It's already a record.
Yeah, but you zoom in though.
No press no button.
Me not press nothing, love. Yeah, peoples. We are here. Jamaican family, Richard Brown, Akeem Lawrence, Alton. Alton, whatsoever you want name. Curious Boss.
She not even looking at the camera. She not even looking at the camera.
Lexi family.
Lean the camera. Tap in the camera. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
See, if you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Yeah, I know how to use it.
Yeah? If you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Alright, Papa.
I can tell to hold properly.
Yeah?
Okay, and now we have a new somebody.
Hey, Papa, I love you full life when I make no money out.
Tell back your camera.
So, big up yourself for that segment. Thank you very much, miss. Yeah, man. So, people, I'm gonna go shoot them now. So, later. Me soon.
Bye, guys. Peace out.
So, we're there back again, people. The guy that's obsessed with the camera, me, yes. Over by the golf course, and as you know, I'm there with a nice, beautiful young lady. And we're going to fast in our business as usual, take some photos, and I'm taking you guys along. So of course, she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team. There she is. Shakaberry. Oh, go on.
I'm here.
So, me know the answer to some of them questions I'm going to ask, but I'm going to ask them anyways. So, first question is, where are you from?
Grangel.
You know, I say Grangel, I'm born on a place named Top Lincoln.
And there's some about
Serious? You don't know a star. I know say a Grangel City come from, but I never know say a Top Lincoln.
Yes,
Top Lincoln
Top
actually
Lincoln.
come from. So tell me about life in a Top Lincoln.
Well, life in Top Lincoln, it's great, you know, minding your own business because of course I stay in, I don't come out.
Alright, so people have it say Grangel a bad place. You know, like me talk to my young lady out here, out here recently in a video. She come from Clarendon. On the news, you always hear them say, oh, Clarendon a bad place. Grangel too. But what that's about that?
Well, yes, at times it is bad, but for you not do nobody, no, you just not have to worry. Although sometimes you can be in the wrong place at the wrong time, but it's bad. You have to just protect yourself and work with the curfew and work with the time.
See that? Sorry for taking care for you so quick. You know, see that? You don't notice the difference between the two questions them? Good. So, tell me now about the movie thing. How long have you been doing movies?
Okay, so I would say from about 3 to 4 months now. Yes, it's been great, you know, because I've always wanted to work to showcase my talent and inspire others and motivate others, and I finally get to do it, so it's great.
Alright, good. I run out of question. Alright, so we know about where she come from, we know how long she had to acting. How you and Richard Brown them get to link up?
Okay, so you know, I was on YouTube and I have a couple classmates and schoolmates that's on YouTube. I have them contacts, so I was on WhatsApp at night and you know, I saw one of my friends posted a girl that was in my class, and I was so excited because her name is Ashley. We're born in the same year and day and month. So I'm always excited to see her because she's a friend. Practically she was in the same subject with me, same school. So I've always seen her, and I watched Friend in Me, that's the movie that I saw that made me reach here now. And I saw when he said if anybody are interested you should go on Instagram, and I did, and that's how I get to meet up with the Richard Brown family.
You know I get a whole lot of information from all the actors them, right? So how long them are do acting, if them passionate about it, all that good stuff right over here. So, I'll do you not look old enough though. Do you have a boyfriend?
But I would say not at this moment.
Blouse and skirt, no sir. That look like somebody a haul them foot man. But anyhow, now I go down too much into that. So, how has the experience been? Over the couple of months since you've been here, how has the experience been?
Well, the experience have been so great. Meet up with everybody, feel like a family, and practically watching myself be so good that I always wanted to do.
So you always want to do acting, not you?
Yeah, it's my talent, so I'm so excited with it.
So, next thing. In relation to experience, same way. So you end up on the road because we know the movie Jamaica just has a Richard Brown films right now. When people say on the road, what is it like?
Okay, so when I'm on the streets, people see me and they say, movie star, or you been seeing our movie? I would say yes. I say, what's it be like? And I tell them, and some of them fast, you get paid how long you do it, and them call you. And if I fit to answer, I answer. But people say me, practically when people saw me, they say, movie star, movie girl. I say, hello.
No. So the acting open up opportunities, feel like people call you, offer you, like say, oh, want to do this, or you know, like offer you things like about that pay. No opportunities open up for you?
Well, yeah, basically, yeah. I've gained a lot since working with Richard Brown Films. A lot of people have reached out to me and helped me out.
When I see that, so I know Richard Brown Films is a big movement. And I'm my brethren, you know, my brethren Richard Brown, big star. So, alright, I think we get a whole heap as it relates to movie, your passion and all that where you come from. So, more in depth now. If you were to describe the kind of girl that you are, how would you describe that person?
Well, I would say I'm a very moody person. Like, I would just get up in a bad mood, start to molest everybody without them doing me anything. You know, I'm very intelligent, I have a lot of ambition, I'm determined, and I'm very inspirational.
You know, I said do it differently. I saw mistake sometimes too, but I know I said unfair. Like sometimes we have bad mood. I'm just not want nobody deal with me. I feel like I want to take out everything like my, but I know I said not fair. But I understand, I get it. So, Alright, we know the kind of girl that Shakira is. Oh, people, she have one YouTube channel. Come, tell about the YouTube channel again.
So I've been working on YouTube, or I wouldn't say working because I'm like pay as it for 1 year now. I'm almost to 1 year at 900. And so I would like you guys to go over there and subscribe to my channel, Ashanti James. Just go on YouTube and type in Ashanti James. You can go on TikTok and also type in Ashanti James 20.
So now here, no John just watching up people. There's an amazing young lady there right over here. So, and yes, I know I'm more fortunate than Una because I'm right here right now with her, asking her all the questions. But she's amazing, and definitely go over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And she has an Instagram as well, so make sure say wanna go check out the Instagram. Tell her the Instagram.
Okay, so the Instagram is Shakaberry25. SHACKABERRY. Shakaberry25.
Cool. So school. Tell a little bit about school.
Okay, so you know, school, I'm gonna be honest. To me, like when it's come on to studying, I'll do that, but I don't really like the book thing. But
Me not cut it, I not like it. I never used to study. I mean I'm both, but I never fail on exam, but I never usually study. Like I never study. But anyhow,
I like fail exam when I'm careless. Like sometimes you see if I don't like it, subject, I'm just not gonna practically sit down and study pizza stuff because I feel it. So my mind and my brain kinda get donkey to the subject because I don't like it. But once I love that subject I will pass it. But school is great because I'm gonna leave school in 3 months, 3 to 2 months, and I'm so sad.
You're sad?
Yes, because I'm gonna miss my friends.
No, but you can still link up.
Because at my school, me and every one of the teachers are so close, especially the principal. You know, so it's gonna be
Big up your principal then.
Yes, Mrs. Maxine Evans. Big up. Oh, and also I would like to big up everyone in Grangeville, Westmoreland.
Big up Grangeville.
Yes, Jayan, big up yourself. All of the Peggy Barry and Top Link and the fans them who know me. I know so glad to see me. Big up on yourself. Big up my father, God. James, I know you love me so much. I'm gonna love you.
Oh, them best sound like gunshots, so. I Westmoreland this anyways, guys. So with the right sound. It really sound like a gunshot off over there, but over there, so them there. So before I move off of the school thing, what is your favorite subject?
Okay, my favorite subject is English.
And which one you don't like? You hate that one there?
Maths. I'm practically slow in mathematics.
Right. Yo, people never hate maths, do not hate math.
Maths
do
and
not hate
Spanish.
Math.
But I practically pass Spanish. I've never passed maths.
Well, I don't know why people don't really like the numbers thing, but anyhow, so might end the video now, or might just stay over here with her until somebody from Richard Brown team call her and say, oh, acting team. Because that me do them, I always just teeth them, do one like a short film or get a little in on the personality, and yeah. So I don't know, probably end the video now, probably not. Have anything you want to say?
Okay, so I think I want to make some little filters, some little, what do you call them, handouts for my channel for people to go and subscribe.
Oh, you mean like some little card thing? Yeah. No, but people, differently though. Probably, I'm not saying enough to do it, but probably you can save her the trouble of having to do that by sharing her content. Please, just share it. Share it.
Yes, guys, share it so I can reach the 1K.
So anything I want to say to Richard Brown Films team?
Yes, I would like to say a big thank you. Can't stop saying thank you because you guys have really made me to have this opportunity to see my talent and, you know, reach my dreams that I always wanted to do acting. Because it's from a tender age that I always dreamed to be an actor, and people see the acting in me and say it's naturally.
Yeah, you're tough too. You're tough really. Like when I watch a movie them, I say, oh, John, one thing I say I want an actress, I swear to you. Yeah. So Mr. Brown, you see that? Mr. Brown, I watch the videos them. I need to do an interview with them, Mr. Brown. A long, good interview in depth. Like how I know I really question them if I ask about differently though. You see it? When you see? Mr. Brown, I see opportunities them we create for people. I think what should describe, like in a nutshell, everything is happiness. But make sure you have the final say and then close the channel and tell them to subscribe. Yeah, would you say what you're experiencing right now is happiness or close to it?
Happiness.
Happiness?
Yes.
Zano.
I'm feeling so comfortable to see myself on YouTube, people seeing me and feel so excited in seeing me. And like, girl, me see talent in your bad. Me rate it, you know? It's so great.
Alright, so I'm not as fortunate as her. I wouldn't describe my current state of mind as happy, but contented. But patience, one step at a time. I get there. So, thank you for tuning in as usual. Like the videos, please, so we can get full-length movies on here, and so we can continue making these videos, because you know equipment we're down, and we rely on the ad revenues and the views on here. So when you guys click like and when you guys click subscribe, it makes that whole process easier. So definitely like the videos, guys. Definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more content. But Shaka Bear, I think they want to hear from you. Tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, and like, share, and subscribe on the Akeem Lawrence. And go over to Ashanti James channel and subscribe and share the videos.
Bye bye. Welcome people, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. So now we have no time. I'm in Negril. Now an ample that's her name. I remember if an ample that's her name, but I'm there out by Fire's place. So this is I'm on the shoot of the start of a new movie. So we are get some official BTS behind the scenes video of Richard Brown Films. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna meet some of the actors, because you know them have new actors now. See if we can find out the personality of these actors as opposed to one sitting at the movie. And you know, see how everything come together. If them fight and cuss them one another, the whole coming together of the movie. I'm not certain what the movie name, but all I know is that they are beginning and they are starting a new movie today. And we get some behind the scenes, meet the actors, them, all that good stuff. But I don't know how Lara do it, not true? Now we get some nice visuals. But uno call intro, me call B-roll. How do it? So guys, first person, me steal her from the cats. Come. Yeah, try to run. I have to move around the crowd, because as you see now, the B-roll video them come on. So introduce yourself, Miss Kelly.
Hi guys, my name is Kelly.
She don't know what happened to her right now, no? But no, how does it feel? Tell her about a little movie acting thing.
Yes.
Come talk to her. Tell her what going on with the movie business, Richard Brown Films. Tell her, talk to her, want to know what going on.
Good day everyone, my name is Kelly. I don't like giving out my last name, but my name is Kelly.
Chung body Kelly.
Well, my first time in Richard Brown Films was the day when Akeem came to me and asked if I could be a part of it.
Oh yes, the blouse and skirt. I remember when you see her when I get road there, so I see her come. I look her now. Well, I never really look nobody. You know me like flirt and things, so yeah, I know, so I'm not even remember that. Anyways, continue the story that my friend.
And so I began to express my true inner self and get comfortable. And now we're having a lot of fun, because we are having also a movie releasing with me. It's When Will You Stop Lying? Yeah, but my experience here has been wonderful. Sometimes, you know, we have our ups and downs, but
her face might look like she's serious, guys, but
I am.
She's not serious. I
am. But I love to laugh.
Serious.
I love to laugh.
So, one more question before me let her go off of the video now is, what you see for yourself and Richard Brown Films? Like, where you will see yourself? I see yourself a part of this team 5 years from now. You see growth 5 years from now and all of that?
I do, because if you do the maths, how long have I been in this situation actually? But almost a year and a half.
Almost 1 year, not true?
Yes, and I'm still here.
Almost 1 year since me come here gate, come tell us, Ray?
Yes.
Rastafari. So guys, there you have it. As me say, I don't plan the question, I don't think more bunks me. So I'm done with it now, I can go and go.
Thank you.
Hold on. You have no man?
Yes, I do. I have a boyfriend.
Alright, that one I taken, guys. So, when nobody link up Richie on Instagram, I tell him to link up with no strong body girl.
When can link me up, man?
You know, just have money.
You know, my friend like that.
You see, you know that? Them girls are wicked, them wicked.
No, I don't mean that.
My name is Tori Shea in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So tell me a little bit about what going on there at us now.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She's clueless.
Yeah,
but actually come down
name.
here together. So my name is Akeen. I am a videographer, editor, all that good stuff. Not an actor like yourself.
Yeah,
all of them good stuff. So me I do acting?
I've seen it.
Which person me do acting?
I can't remember. I moved them in fact today and one landlord one time.
Guys, we're famous!
What go on in the movie, a real issue so I go on right now. I want to find a way to make it so creative. It did just grab me and I was like, whoa, never did expect this. So, at the end of that movie, I think a Curious and Richard Brown there say, you know, say if you're interested in being a part of this, you can link me up.
So hold on, and Richard them did a link from before this then?
I know, today we
Oh, you mean you see it in the video where my son can... Oh, okay, so, okay.
So I say, alright, if that's the case, let me link him then and see how soon he would respond.
So...
I can't believe I see him now, he respond.
Yeah, I understand. So, how does it feel? Excited? Like, what are you looking forward to?
You see, I'm a media person. I studied media in school and from young I was always interested in entertainment and even some acting, right? But that passion did just kind of quell over the years. I just start up on the pursuit for the money and kind of did lose this passion in me. So right now...
I feel my audience, I say, like them want to look in at them eyes.
Yes, they want to. So because again, spiritual, I don't stand up in front of them right now. But yeah, this is just me getting back that passion because I can't argue. This possibly how you see me now, you probably can see one character, but I can go on some different characters. You just have to take a little more practice. So guys, nobody to judge me, but I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited. And whatever role me get, I'm gonna try my best to embody.
And just start up, no joke.
It does make me excited. Very excited. So I'm ready for start.
Alright, so 2 down guys, 2 persons then excited. And hear how the link up go on and passionate about acting. I look forward to it. New movie I start today. You gotta play first. Yeah. You have no idea where I play today?
I have no idea at all.
No idea.
So whatever role I get, I'm just ready for it. Ready for it. Whether it is some ghetto girl, whether it is some gangster, or whether it's some...
You know, I think a gangster thing would I work with her still.
Because that's me naturally.
Yeah, it look like a gangster thing would I work with her.
We can do the female walk to and put on heels. I like that. I like that. We can.
Your glasses.
I want to play.
No man, they don't show you a fan work. Yeah man, sorry. That funny I forget me to help.
That's your own there to help.
And that, I just tell them saying probably have to help out the fun, you know?
Oh, it's soon build up plan.
You look like you can catch him, man.
Somebody have to build up, you know?
And then that they tell us, and they say you have to patiently wait.
No, you have to stay. That's when they need help. It is special. Which one is the water in the fridge, dog? What? River.
What?
I don't understand how the whole on just come in and shan video saying, you know?
We have water, and that's how it is.
We're invaders.
Jamaican invaders. And we buy it.
I asked so where them rest or something.
Yeah, look like this, I don't know. And then people there deal with the...
My paparazzi live in our house, you know? I'm a star, you know, so paparazzi have to live in our house, you know, I think. So, Curious King.
Say.
What go on in the kitchen now?
We have cut up some sweet potato. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Curious King that food, no? Real Rasta, with sweet potato and thing. Eat your grow you eat, no?
So you go, you know?
Yeah. So, people, we're in a Negril over which part the prostitutes are usually there. I know this because of my previous occupation. So, I will talk to Richard Brown and find out what they might do. Yeah, so, yeah.
You know that as wet, you can't sit on it. The wet man. The wet, like really wet. If you walk from there, so most likely you wouldn't. Alright, yo, come by the side, because you don't look better for the camera if you just walk straight and sit right there. So. Right, so wipe it off.
So what you say happened out there now, Mr. Brown?
Alright, so we developed this story, so we have to get some nice cutaways, and it's always good to change the scenery. So we just kind of use up a beach park to kind of help tell the story. You see me?
And what story is that for all the people I'm clueless, I know?
We have a big discussion. Don't go too far, right there, sir? We do have a big discussion in regards to relationship and abuse. So what we are trying to tell the story from two angles. From the male perspective of being abused and from the female perspective. So we just kind of tell a story from this, and then we just get to the end result.
Alright, so this is a part of you getting all of that storyline together?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, so ready? So don't talk, do it, right? Hold it right there, hold it. I already know. Alright, I'll go next one. Alright, so basically,
look at the movie stars. Tori, Shan, director Mr. Brown over there, so. And Mr. Alton. Just a while ago have one lady I try to sell him some. Alton, how that go a while ago?
girl.
That woman did I try to sell us something a while ago?
Yeah, broad daylight, brother.
How I price? How much you say?
Run out her house and look like she get cut out. Whatever happened to her and she gone a doctor. So you know hear that now, so you not get your friend phone. You're gone over there if you go look for your friend. If you're not wrong with her, you're going to see somebody say you realize you see the blood pan your gum now. Whatever. So you get angry and start or you like you want to fight him. And then you know end up in a sexual thing. Same time now she, but when I have work, we have work with the time. The time would have to be John, like it happened before. So by the time you will go over there, she would have come look for you. You understand? So while you got look for she, now she will look for you. So you could have be cross the platform. So after she get dressed up or whatever for boy or whatever, kind of nothing big. You understand? So you kind of say, no man, I just pan her finger. So you get her cut pan serious.
Say that I should have come back and look for me and buck up in you.
Yeah, she asked me to buck up in me.
So, yes people, them just gone, them do them like a deliberation as to how them get that part of the movie together. So, when you hear what Mr. Brown said earlier, it has to do with abuse and relationship from both male and female perspective. So, what time is it now? 10:40. And I'm still up discuss movie. So I joined in like a piece of the editing earlier, and yeah, we are follow the Richard Brown films thing, guys. So look like there is more to it than they actually expect, because I think people would have sleep at them hours. Someone are dead curious.
Man, you breathe small, bad boy. I don't want to run marathon when the body asleep to bug. You understand it?
Like say asleep, people come off asleep, and asleep people come off asleep in a bus. At work, people come off work. We up
One
now.
man they can do a movie in a 2 day and done the full movie.
Go and try set on record.
But look everybody asleep. I must think everybody has asleep. Who can sleep the fastest enough?
Work still a go on. Work still a go on. We'll get some more visuals. Even I take a very sad joke now. How much finger you see?
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
She tired, guys. How your body feel?
Hello.
No, physically, how you feel?
Physically, mellow.
Mellow?
Mellow.
No, what mellow mean?
What mellow?
What mellow
Feel,
mean? What mellow feel
little
like?
heavy.
Heavy?
A little heavy. But a good one.
So, alright, you remember what I talked about earlier? Alright, so you have a better idea of the role we are playing now?
Yes, oh my. I'm playing one of them roles there where people please not hate me or judge me for this first role, but I'm playing an abusive
I think enough
character.
women are gonna side with you. I don't think them are gonna dislike you. I think I like them, I gonna like Jamaican people weird, you know. You understand? It's when a man do the abusing, which me condemn 100%. When the woman do the beating, you know, it's like everybody support it. Anyhow, what the experience like so far?
Boy, one thing can say, these people work, but the experience is nice, man. Everything easy. We're part of the we're part of the ideas, you know, the idea making, basically.
Yeah. Feel like family yet?
It gets in there, you know. We still get to know each other. We still work on the scenes, them, and working together so far has been good, man. It has been. Me not really to know much about the abusive role, but they've been helping me and assist me in the. Oh, it just.
I fun I want to help guys.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion though, she embodied that character that good. Thumbs up. When I see it in the movie.
Well.
Morning. It is day 2 of the shoot of that movie. Alright, the thing is, we can get a bit confusing. So I know I said they were starting a new movie, but throughout the course of everything, so this is the second day now. So during the course of everything, what I realized is that sometimes what the whole team does, the Richard Brown Films, the whole team, what they do is sometimes they'll be shooting a movie, right? And then they start another movie, right? No, probably because the resources that are needed to shoot probably a second movie, they are there, so they just use that resource or use those resources and start that movie. Understand? So like they'll have like 3-4 movies concurrently. So that is what I realized. Yeah, got some early shots this morning with Richard Brown. So yeah, I never expect it to be so much. But I think them just don't finish one movie and then, but like the man they not play the thing, man. All 2-3 movies start shoot one time. Are you rested now, my boss?
Yeah, I'm rested, man. Up early and now, see if we can get some food. Pot a boil and just start edit and start shoot. We're not playing now.
I'm playing.
Because like how you know me, you're not going to own it.
Me tell her that?
You did that to you did.
Evening, people, big up on yourself. So I try, a young lady I tell some people life for me. Actually, really I do the video about, but she tell me something I new to you know. What
I'm
miss?
not. We're going to do a get to know me video, and it's also going to be on both channels. Your channel and my channel, Akeem. Can you put the camera on me for that?
No, can I see a bunks like so?
The phone is that good.
I'll tell me about how more licking at my head earlier, you know. So before we go no further.
Yeah.
Come. What was one of the most popular movies you took part in?
I think it was Where is Honey?
Where is Honey?
Yeah.
Were you, who were you in Where is Honey?
A villain.
Yeah, but like, where did I do?
I stole the baby.
Oh, are you thief the baby? My blood's not scared. I'm not even remember.
My sister.
Chris Tasha. Chris Tasha is the name, right?
Yes.
Chris Tasha. So come now, Chris Tasha. What I get from her persona so far? She seem reserved and quiet, like she can't wash hands.
We all know that. I'm a nice person.
Don't make the looks them fool. You know. So, Chris Tasha, which part I come from?
Actually, I'm from Burn Savannah, but me don't here now.
So,
In Negril.
why are the Negril and not Burn Savannah anymore?
I have a child.
Oh, so relationship care was a Negril?
Yes.
Oh, will hurt neat. So tell me about that. Tell me a little bit about family. Yo, I don't understand how they always a beat me could go past another life. I don't understand how them always a beat me for do videos in the guys. And when me ask them then question of them, don't want answer.
I sighed. That doesn't mean I didn't answer.
Sigh is not an answer.
I sighed because I was going to answer.
Because you were going to answer?
Yes, I was going to answer. I was going to tell you about my family. I love my family.
Okay, so the reason why I ask her about family, you know, when we speak to the actors, actresses on here, we try to get to know them outside of their characters in the movie, which I think is a very fascinating thing. So, hence the question family, because family kind of can define the personality. Yes, so.
My family?
What is Chris Tasha's family like?
I would say one of the best. For me.
Yeah, that's just total bias. That's
not for
100% bias.
For me, it is. And my family, my family.
Alright, are the best.
I have the best son.
What's his name?
His name is Chris Swan Brown. He's a 1-year-old child. A male, to be precise. I love that little one. Because...
So, she's not really telling much about family, so I can move on to the movie question then now. I'm kind of salty in that video, I don't know if I can tell. So, as per usual, how you and Richard them link up?
Oh, me did I watch Friend in Need.
Don't tell me say up on Instagram I link them up to.
No,
Oh.
I take down the number for YouTube.
And you call them?
I text him for WhatsApp. But the thing is, listen to this, me have one dream, you know. It's like me watch the movie and me drop asleep. I may drop asleep before me watch the movie, but me had a dream the same day me text them, say.
Hold on, pause. You can please look in my eye when you talk?
Okay.
As in look into our eyes.
Okay.
Thank you, yes.
Yeah, as me I said, me did have one dream. My dream said me act one movie up on my yard that I Burn Savannah. And somebody...
Hold on. Mind them bungs, Chris Tasha.
But Brad.
Alright.
Somebody took the role that I was supposed to play, and who know me knows I'm grumpy and miserable. So me did get upset and then wake up out of the dream. But me did actually turn one actress in the dream. And then me text them, Richie tell me hooks that me have interview though. I think it was the Thursday. It was the Thursday and then me come around here. And the same day me come around here, me do the run out of the whole scene. And me take my sister and a friend in need that night there.
Oh. So the link up have some kind of, what I call it now, some kind of superstition to it because she thought, I'm not superstitious guy, so if I sound insensitive about it, sorry. So through the dream thingy.
Yeah, I think it's coincidence or it's God's plan.
You see, because I know you, and I know say it's a troublemaker, and like me I try to bring out a party and it's like it just not work. I know so them all look for you and just feel like I just this little angel. Yo, every time I come here, Christasha have problem with me. Every time I come here, Christasha. You trouble me for no reason at all.
I him every day.
Alright, come, talk the truth.
You say me a don't friend. Why? How can you not be my friend?
No, you say you not talk to me.
You said it first.
Me say it first?
You said it first, Akeem. You did.
So hold on, tell me what happened now. That's me tell us we not talk. Come.
You said me ask you what question.
What? me say ask too much question? Where they ask me? What were the questions you were asking?
Ask you about police. Your life.
Where ask me about police?
I asked you if you ever.
Oh, people, she asked me if me ever kill nobody. Like how you ask somebody that question? The worst if alright, anyways.
You were a cop, so me want to know. And then
But I mean, there's a million other questions like why that one. I never feel no way still.
me did want to know like if him do it, why feeling you don't get after, you know? And like if you that nervous or feel some type of way deep down, like you regret saying it, you know, like that.
I mean, if any sensitive human being takes a life, I'm gonna feel some kind of way. But it kind of different. I'm answer a question. It kind of, you see, because of the training, it is different. There is no way to word it. But when one policeman take a life and he might go about in lawful duty in a field, no kind of way, and just feel like he might doing job. And like for just say it like that, I go sound kind of shallow. But as me say, it's hard because like to explain it kind of hard. But no, they ask me some different question too.
Ask about your life and your relationship. Because you did say you have one girl in the house where you like, where nobody never know about, and everybody be inquisitive to ask. And never me alone. I'm going to ask this, you not talk, so I'm leave you alone.
Actually, I never have nobody in that place, so I'm like, I just let that figure around.
So why you did I do that?
Because like, why is it important who nobody interested
in? Every girl in the house name, and then let's leave that.
And then what?
And then let's leave that.
And then they come down from here. But the thing is, you know, me never tell nobody who or whoever. Assume when I time then things say me and Biba and things. Like seriously.
Nothing is wrong with Biba. If you know her, you know her. That's just her. That's Biba being her.
Alright.
Then they assume say me. Why
aren't there guys aren't there guys out there that nothing no wrong with them, but you just couldn't see yourself.
Is that a question?
And something just said that for say, like I'm not insulting her in any way. She's a beautiful young lady. Nothing is wrong with her, but
Biba,
we'll probably kill each other. Yeah. So I think we get some in on your personality a little bit. So tell me now, what do you do for fun?
Actually, I love to act. I read. Candy Crush.
Hold on, you know what I'm saying? People tell me so they read though, like me get irritated.
Why?
Because like you say you do it for fun, right? And this is just me I try to understand how next human being. You read. Alright, before I start assume, what do you read?
I read novels.
See what me I talk about. Alright, what kind of novels you read?
My recent novel was After.
After?
Yeah, there's a movie about it, so guys you can go and watch.
But what's that book about though, After?
It is actually two high schooler, you know, or college students, something like that. And then this girl, and then this nigga.
I'm gonna ask you one question. You get to one point in the book where you come like a poor and you read?
I mean, duh.
That's how me I talk about.
You feel, you know? You actually feel it like...
Like me have this exact conversation with Natasha yesterday, but you would never get to complete the interview because I try so hard. It's a porn book. Like me expect, and probably me wrong, you can't tell me.
As well.
No, it's just that I expect like when people say they read books, like me I expect it to be like one autobiography, like one Ben Carson, one Obama. Not... It's a porn book, like...
It's not necessarily porn.
Alright, tell me the most exciting part of those novels.
When you can relate. Worse if you're in a relationship and I see same thing happen and you can relate.
I'm gonna tell you the most exciting part of the book, for me.
What?
You see the part that I'm reach where, so when I reach, I have to close the book and take a deep breath and then start read again like, bombard! Seriously? Because then describe in detail so much, especially when you reach to the sex part.
That's what I like. I actually like that part because it get intense. I know you feel it someplace you know.
You see something telling you? Problem. So there she is, guys, the beautiful Christasha. Yeah man, she full of energy, although you see her look like she look kind of small and can't mash hands.
Make me nice.
So, what kind of person would you say you are? Nice?
No.
What?
I'm one of the best persons you could ever meet.
Yo, you think then too exaggerated, Bridget. Like, ask me what kind of person do I think I am. I think I'm a reserved person. I think me eccentric. To some extent socially awkward. To some extent. Can I not really talk much?
But me not talk the truth. I am speaking the truth.
But the best in the world, Christasha?
No, not really said the best in the world, but what I said one of.
Oh, okay. Okay. What makes you one of the best persons in the world?
You can talk to me about anything and be sure that nobody else not gonna hear.
Alright.
I'm helpful.
Helpful?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm a think
I
put people before me.
I have a problem down there, so. Okay.
Wait.
Can I show you?
No.
I don't know. You say helpful, so I don't know if I can fix no problem.
What's the problem actually?
It won't seem to stay over here, so because normally would I call it flaccid. That's what them call it.
That's not one problem because I wouldn't ever
Yo, I'm gonna end the video, man. So, yeah, guys, that's Christasha for you. I want you to tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Yes, guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also run over to my channel. It's Christasha Watkin. You'll have it in the description. Bye.
So, you want this video for your channel and my channel?
Yes.
Alright, no problem.
Peace out the video with my hand now.
No problem, make it do?
Peace out. Peace.
So she full of attitude, you know. Yo, I can do that again. Come, let's say peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.
I love you.
That's funny, I'm learning. Peace out. Peace out. How much time? You want peace out again?
No.
Later, people. We go for the self. Remember, you know, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash?
I'm not going to hit you. I'm going to...
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. One swear to God that she an angel, but she's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
Body now and a kiss from you. But remember to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So
subscribe, go over to my channel at Krista's Life.
you have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there.
Me I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos, but it doesn't matter. I loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're gonna do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-workers.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This was how that for your neck.
On the phone.
Whoa!
No, for my neck.
No, sir. Look how me think. Look how me think this little girl. Alright. Me cannot manage something bite up on your neck, mama. You need one mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito, not normal. So, I use to smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
Nah, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture I got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha.
Yeah.
I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well, that's
I'ma have to pass, man. Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl name.
Oh man.
One that you're like a Rasta girl, remember her name?
Oh, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash our pass, Tori. I go for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
No, not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. Well, that chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on! Yes! Smash! Smash our pass, we are playing. Say, would you smash our pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my ear, she smashed me. Whoa!
If it was a pass, smash, mommy, man. Pass again.
Anyway.
So, alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
You
me.
lie me. You not ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash, Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, where you say, twin? Hold on, come on, pass. Where you say? This smash or pass not done yet. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Would you?
I mean, you forgot your toes.
Would you? Alright, your turn.
Would you smash or pass Shan?
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you? Would you smash?
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass Richard Brown?
Richie and me boss. Me not gonna touch your boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay. Oh, you got video, me let him out.
No, yeah, bro, man. You have pass. You see, man, how help. You go let him out.
Oh, yeah, I forgot video, man.
That's right, camera.
Come, hold this. So,
every woman.
No, man said smash our pass. You pass every woman and now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
Me never say me nah smash none. It's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this so me in a focus.
Yeah, me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. May I go take one little piece and move.
Yeah, not focus it.
Don't stop, eh?
Oh.
Can I focus now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Krista shall learn to use the camera. You zoom in. So, come back up. Pass on yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I know how you come up, so you don't want to run back this and come up.
So you want to go up or down?
I want to reach right there, man.
So guys, we are doing a scene.
Ready?
Oh, go front of me, say like.
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing to go.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
We pop two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. Put the camera up on him now.
No, that
No, that can't go up on internet, you man.
Attention now.
people must not see that side of me.
Where?
Eh.
I'm saying that.
Biba saying, oh, 2 person, you already.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
So now she said.
Yeah, so
She said, I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the list.
Some people might say that 2 persons.
That me know. But when me tell them no clear, please. Me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
You're done. No, almost. Watch it all the time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you're Biba done.
So come in.
You should write down, give me that.
So listen me, lady. Yeah, because behind the scenes. When that the man there chat up with the camera.
Don't make no nice boy, man.
Me not see
and I'm
him.
gonna vex up your face. We still come back with the smash and part.
Action, yeah.
I say Chris Tasha, my mother.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this don't record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Megapixel? Answer no?
Mega is a liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So like you smash.
Me never asked that. Me never asked
Me
that.
not go and smash Mega cause me no want Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call your name already.
I'm already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me because I'm going to be your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say Mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't have to smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm a pass.
Get out of focus.
Sorry, you didn't focus on it. You didn't focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get how you so for a long time. Get how you so.
You talk us to this?
Me not know. Hold on.
Oh, this was like Rasta.
Where say pass? You know say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me
on
see.
this man.
Me see it long time man. Me I say what kind of mosquito bite him up so.
Which man?
Vampire. Me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
Yeah,
me.
you say which man? Which man?
Nobody don't bite
Look
me
at this
neck.
part. You say baby suck up it. I get time up and gone home. Maybe I had curious when right after you go last night after it rain.
Oh, this morning this come
This
happen.
morning. Early morning wake up.
No, since before me come out here. Me not have sex or no.
Thank you one before you come out and say yo.
Because me da freak
Body
around.
see it. The body see it. I mean saying see it so you just get something but I look fine, not you?
I don't have sex with you.
You just have it next.
So just
I
line
have
up
me
the
first
next.
do it. No, I'm da with him.
That's right.
I have a blackout that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Juta rhyme. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Orlando?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No, can't pass everybody.
I do a pass everybody.
No, just cause I don't reach down to nobody when I would have smash. Yeah. Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Started. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
You would smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Chris Tasha?
Chris Tasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash. Smash.
And that you wait pan.
Smash.
Oh, you was Richie. Would you smash
or pass?
Hold on, no one can laugh, so.
Fire.
Oh. Hey, alright?
Yo! Yo, hey!
Body done! Hey! Try to get inside the knuckle girl. Fire! I'm burning the whole place.
Yo, here we go on. The video done. Christasha does why out the video.
Why tell me? Move on there!
Hey, big up on yourself, young people. This is really and truly Christasha's version of smash and pass. But, it's kind of unfair because, alright, out of whole list of everybody, I want somebody who really smashed. How you go? How you go? How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Christasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you want one more. Smash our pass, mukbang, whatever. We get it.
Alright, don't hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the
I'm
video.
over my
Thanks.
channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
Yes, you tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Christasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Christa's live.
Live.
Christa's live.
Yeah.
Christa's live.
Live.
Live. Oh.
Christasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and I had 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good month.
Big up yourself. So go and support the movement, people. Look more, we chat to you again. We got tired.
You see the difference now. What kind of smash and pass do you talk about?
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
Okay. Smash. Pass. It's just for the video.
Would you? Would you?
The girl.
Would you?
Wait now.
Would you?
Wait now. Let me get the girl name. The girl when you come down here.
Pause it first.
When I.
Pause it first.
I cannot pause the video, sir. It's already rolling.
Shantae's name.
I'll give she same warning like when me give me.
Maybe you have
same warning.
Yeah, you give me one.
Yeah, say it for camera.
Would you?
Original, no, me not hear what Richie say.
We don't need to hear what Richie say.
Go hear what Richie say.
Watch out.
Oh.
You don't smash our pass, me.
You?
Yeah, smash our pass.
Wait there.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, but you know, nobody at all.
Yeah, you're not smash nobody.
You say nobody at all.
They said smash.
Who?
You're not saying nobody.
They said mother smash, papa.
We can't manage. So come. Yours truly.
No,
smash our pass.
I keep telling you, come down.
What?
But I want to hear what she going to say off camera because she said if it don't go on YouTube, say no that means.
So I have also Richie. You.
Hold on.
Me I choose. Me want to know.
No, you can't do that yet. You have to just wait. You have to wait till I ask you. So we have to start with me first. We have to start with me first. Hold on, we have to start with me first.
No, you know, tell me. We say out of everybody,
Yeah,
you
me
tell out in
understand.
them. John Dick, Tom, and Harry.
So, you don't smash our pass here, truly. Mr. Lawrence here, me, smash pass. What's that? No, sir. No, sir.
It's a sweet Richie.
Alright. Alright, hold on.
You got barber.
Let me start again.
You want me to go barber? Me laugh too much because me use just a hat me laugh.
Hold on. Me I try to get control of this space, guys. Listen, me I try to get control of this space.
Who is it? That you say that. I'm like, put them on interview because you're going to give up. Come on, eh? Come on, man, talk to me, you know. You like it there, but...
Alright, smash or pass. Would you smash or pass that guy?
All time.
Pass.
Blood clot.
Brave heart.
Alright. Again, next. Your turn. So, after me, then you...
Come on.
Would you smash or pass Candy?
Candy, I'm a general. I'm telling you. Pass. No, Candy, I'm a smash Candy. Candy, I'm a G. No, Candy, I'm a G. No, but you are going. May I be honest, no, Candy, I'm a G. Me can't smash.
No, that me mean.
No,
You can mark that.
No, turn off.
Me I say if you go crap the video them, like three ask her about the same thing.
I think they like the perspective then. So.
This is gonna be everywhere.
This one?
If you use everybody, if you ask everybody.
Oh no, it'll be different. It'll cut different. Yeah. It'll be a different video altogether. So back to the smash or passing thing. So she passed Alton. Your time for question me now. Candy, my pass. So my turn for ask you again. Would you smash or pass Richie?
Pass.
What's up?
Pass.
What? Alright, cool. My turn.
Would you smash or pass Kelani?
Pass Kelani, I'm a little sister. Can't smash my little sister. And I prefer dark skin. Yeah. So, my turn again. Smash or pass? Would you? Bag of things go on right now. Bag of things go on. Would you smash or pass fire us?
Pass.
No, I don't understand how everybody just a pass. I never ask you if you just smash it.
Bunny down to the ground.
That's a bunny dog tigger. Alright, my turn again.
Would you smash or pass Christasha?
Smash! Okay. Alright, who there again? Blur it need, yes. Would you smash or pass Popeye?
Pass.
Yo, I don't understand how you pass everybody.
Like that, so me couldn't cross the boundary.
Alright. Smash or pass? My turn now. Come on.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Is that your name?
Yo, me and Natasha just attack all night and she said she want to make my best friend. I can't smash. You couldn't ask me before. I can't.
Because
no.
the people them come like family.
No, but that smash.
Yo, you that smash.
Smash over there.
Natasha.
But me have to pass Natasha. Natasha I'm a G, so.
Why?
The other one name. Oh, come. Would you smash or pass Biba?
Me feel like that face I give answer. Me feel like that face I give answer.
I can't bother with life.
Also.
I have to go pass. Not because of how she looks, she's really attractive, but I have to pass for other reasons. You me? So, yeah. But come on. I don't know how I think go.
Oh, yeah, you have a family.
Hold on. Make a car pass. Hold on, I would run out of man. I don't have no man for.
You have mega.
Oh, blur it needs.
The other photographer?
Yeah, the brother will eat it. Would you smash or pass, Mega?
I would pass.
Oh my god.
You know, I think Mega start ask why.
Pass.
Why? No, hold on, and answer one. Would you smash or pass? Yes, truly.
Yeah,
Mr. Lawrence. But you don't answer. Come on.
I have to answer that again.
Where you want to pass? I don't want to hurt my feelings. Smash. So, alright. Good.
Okay, stop saying
Oh, my turn? Would I smash? We can't left out Jutta. We can't left out Jutta. But yeah, my turn again.
Tiffy.
No, my turn again. You pass, you just smash me, so you ask me now.
Yeah, Peter alone. So me do that.
Yes, look how you're nice, woman. I want to smash.
If you want to smash or pass, or you have Tori, you have Shani.
Yeah. What the other girl the name? Would you smash or pass Tori?
They keep another same answer. Them answer different.
What if I say I'm not smashing at, must I go smashing at the next video? Yes, I would smash Tori.
Like why?
I would smash.
Why?
I would smash.
Why would you smash?
I have no particular reason.
Why?
No, but me pass not the last one. You make me say that a while ago. I would pass. Tori, I'm a general. Tori, I'm a
This
general.
one is the truth. You would smash her.
Would smash. Hold on, your time now. Get to you to suffer a long time. Get to you to suffer a long time. Would you smash or pass? Jutta.
Alright.
Get to you to suffer. What?
Pass. I'll pass.
Pass, Jutta. I feel like run out of smash and pass, you know. Just should I smash?
Okay.
Just should I smash?
You said on camera. And smash and get a fist.
Smash and get a fist.
Everybody said you smash me.
So, anything you want to say to the people and before we go? So that's Honey's mommy, people. If you never watch the movie, go check it out. Where is Honey? What do you want to say to the people?
Yes, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at officialyaniboo_32 and on YouTube at keepupwith_yanyan. Yeah.
You have content over there? You have video upload over there?
Just do something I have over there for now.
Oh.
For now.
But I need to post more video.
Yeah, true, may come out later now then something. So guys, yeah, thanks for the support all over. Let's continue to like, comment, share and support Akeem and all of you. Big up on yourself.
Hear that?
Yo, boy, right quick.
So football, I want to play there. I'm there with everybody.
Here's some of the C-Boy Jackson that I had. If I call him, I'm
I'm more Friday, so I call him much about him.
Jackson! Hey man, we are there.
You know, see, I'm not telling me, see, over here, so football, we are going to play, so come on.
You know, so I'm going to ask my grandma first week for me, so I come.
Yup, right there is where my patience ran out. So it's kind of difficult, guys. Like we control them and we prevent. Like that took me almost 20 minutes to shoot. That small clip there, 20 minutes. So yeah, my patience ran out and I needed some help, but I never have any So what I decided I'm going to do now is just film some behind the scenes from Richard Brown films, so you guys can be entertained by that. So yeah, I'm going to get to some BTS.
Where you come from?
Oh, in night town.
So you just go in night town and you tell me say you go in night town?
This is where me tell us that I go in night town. But I tell us that I go in night town, you sure?
No? So you go in night town, go do?
Me just go to buy something, but I woke up in a one girl, I know something about the guy now.
So when are you back?
I don't know people things, they must say I go beach and so, I don't know why.
Alright, I'm sorry about that again, because of the difference.
Jesus.
I'm sorry about that again. No, I'm sorry.
A girlfriend book up now. Girlfriend.
So, when are you back?
People things.
But no, you can't tell people things.
The girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
One of your girlfriend asks you for whatever. Whatever. Come again, Alton. Ask her again. Ready.
So when I back,
My girlfriend something.
just mine and you're not knowing that I'm supposed to see.
I not care nobody know when I figure the company.
My God, so what that again, Alton?
I'm feeling it.
Ready now. Ready now. Don't that one. Go back to your mind. Whatever. Ready.
Oh. Mine are things on if you come in here.
No, sir, no, we cannot for nobody coming like that.
Yeah, good. Alright, so we say about that. And then after you say you wouldn't care nothing for nobody, she needs to find one way to get him out of the house. So I'm going to tell him say.
Get up and go sit down on the bed.
See if you get up and sit on the bed. And tell him so.
No, just move this and move around the room. So
I think I'll get him out. You want to get him out of the house?
I'll get him out, man.
Alright. You say that again here. So I'm not moving care nothing for nobody belong to nobody in the house. Alright, so let's say last part here, Alton. Ready? You know, you said to her, like that thing, man.
Alright, just make sure.
Go on, Jiffy story, man. Make a story, but not like when stories are confirm and so nice and neat. Mama, come right here, so. Come talk to me right here, so. You can't come right here, say, no. We don't want to move yet, you know. Come right, Scott, enough. Like you just come, you put in the bag.
Me done here, Richard.
Well, the house hot. You know what I mean?
Alright, ready, come before me get the motor and hot and start.
Alright, make you just say the last part then.
And then get up.
We know you say to her, Alton.
Just make sure.
Man, I can't house nothing. Is there anything we feel in here? Anything we carry in here have work and turn in here?
Right.
That way.
Put back up a little bit. Alright, so that's Alton, ready?
Just mind, you can't know when I'm supposed to come in here, you know.
No, they can't nothing like that. Somebody like that coming here. Oh, God.
Don't move straight right, so. Get your back and then walk over to this one. Wait, sit first.
Come give me a massage here. Yeah.
Alright, ready. Don't move.
That's something that we have played. Turn it down.
Tell him
more. Let them play. Turn it down. More, I say, yo. She go tell them set you on so.
Make sure go.
No, make sure go. So you go. You sit down the same way and come on so. And I think you want to give her a massage.
Alright, so Alton.
So why you massage you know?
Pretend like I watch her.
We could have make some bam and contact you. You know, we think say that night.
So you want to get me and everything?
No, I talk to her till
Where does you want to go? Where that come in? Where that come in?
But that's tough one, you understand? I'm not come to you so I can come here so. Just come on here so. And contact him for you so like. Make it just seem like.
Alright, just go back right there. Alton, start walking for instance, Alton, watch you for all the way around.
But what everything you do, you want to chat to him about everything you do. You want him turn out, so you make him turn out to give him a massage. Alright?
Wait, Alton, wait. Curve back your head. Start, just come back for instance. Ready now, action. Action. Get up, Alton. Oh, get up. Tell me now, get up. Oh, get up.
No,
go again.
Happy?
Yeah, come on again. Get out, watch her go there and laugh. Come on.
Alton, stop.
Come on, let's do laughing for come back.
Don't make me finish again.
Come back again.
God.
Ready now?
Slap it. Yeah.
Ready now, action.
No slapping, nowhere like that.
Ready.
So, Papa, why you more fright, yeah?
That's true.
Come now, ready now.
Alright, time right, so you got wipe off.
Yeah, no, wipe off yourself. No, you tell.
Go back right.
Come give a massage.
Go right, sir. Go back right, sir. So turn the face now. You wipe off yourself again and then tell him to come and give a massage. You need to ready. Hold on. And action.
Chuck, come give a massage.
What that for?
Kind of pay me no mind.
Where that go? You want You got that dumb for no reason.
You not pay me no man. You didn't start looking at your phone. Brogan,
Richard Brown and
stress
Jamie
me out.
man.
Stop stress me out.
Protect.
You make me feel go back
insurance
home
with the
and come back.
You almost get a broke shoulder now.
Come get into the show, man.
Alright.
Man, Anton, come.
Let me change the angle. Just walk over.
I'm in character, you know.
Just walk over to him and give him
But you come
massage.
and get the family mute for one.
Alright, come, let me just start. That's the supposed to take so long.
Yeah.
And you still a character we have to see him for.
I'm
No,
not
listen,
giving
him not pay no mind, just turn him back. Just hold him and twist him round.
Me go do it hard so me have to go still make him cry.
No matter, just stay in a character, don't come out. Alright, just say the same thing again. Go back out and say the same thing. You want one shot, ready? Action, ready?
I'm just gonna make you a mustache.
Nobody do it hot, you know.
No,
You
no,
put more
no.
on you. Oh, you want me to stand
Nah,
up
listen up.
for you come back and
Want to turn round, so it's straight, so.
Turn round, so.
No, you just turn him.
Turn it up. I'm going to put up on it, man.
So, only if you turn this big house, you see him big?
So turn on, yeah, turn on.
Big house.
Can't see if it hold it. Alton, spin up, no, Alton.
Wait.
No, don't move. While she get till she come, then Alton, you turn yourself.
Move the phone, Vanessa.
So while she come, you just turn
Look,
while
move
she
them
turn.
while she tell them move. Just move them and say,
Right.
turn.
Alright, come. You just turn and listen.
And take that over shoulder, take that over shoulder. Live up.
Come on, live up with you, man. Ready?
Live up now.
Come on, you say massage, boy.
Don't want it dead. Ready?
That me say me not like say the word, bro.
Ready now.
You can't say
Action.
it. Ready?
Alright. Chuck, come and give a massage.
Take time with my shoulder, you know. Take time, man. Take time. Right, that's all. Right, that's all. Come now, man. We are. Take so long. Go down. Yeah.
You feel about you what you sound like right now?
You can't. Come now. Take time. Alright, yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Hold on. Stay right this way. Everybody had putting it away.
Wait, man, my white first.
How many things you don't say you like that? We have to come back and tell him again serious.
You don't come back and tell me. Wow.
The first time.
You never tell me nothing the first time. I second time you tell me.
Then that's how we spend our years. Whoever takes your life.
No, you never tell me nothing the first time. You never tell me nothing. So me I must
It work.
Stop me up.
We are go.
We can't turn this on a little bit.
No, you can't turn on. Send them out. You go get up now.
What's
Come on, go buy the meat and
come back, massage him again.
This is
you have
last
money
part.
to buy your meat.
No man, you have your money, man.
Massage
Go buy your meat.
Buy some meat you want to cook.
Come, go back and massage him and tell him again.
So back here already said.
Oh, me heard this a while ago.
You did the pan side there.
You back and me ready for one?
Ready, Anthony? Come ready.
Hey, you make me massage this boy if you not need, you know? And Alton not pay me.
Oh man, one of the different side.
Ready?
Yeah man, 2 the pound side, 2 the pound side. No matter, ready now me too. Ready, I'm curious.
Take time, man. Come right this way. Yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Huh?
You can go buy some meat for cook.
What kind of meat?
Chicken back anyone.
You don't want a chicken back, you know. Me go buy it. I'm tired for them chicken back.
I love chicken back.
It's too dear for you.
You just say that, yeah. Attention, where you just say whatever?
How much one
You love
for
chicken back and then him out tell us
How much one
you're
for
chicken
chicken
back. Dear, you know. You don't know.
195.
Come back, almost
How much
chicken
tin
price.
mackerel?
How much tin mackerel? Tin mackerel cheaper? Tin mackerel cheaper?
105 for tin mackerel or 110.
Tin mackerel,
Yeah.
120 or 130.
But chicken mackerel cheaper.
Alright, come on.
Ready now,
Alright,
run.
say the same thing. Say you love chicken back and then Alton say chicken back. Dear, you know. Ready now, action.
I love chicken back.
chicken back to dear man.
Just a bite.
$250 pound to just bone in a shop. Yeah. Can't manage it.
Then buy mackerel then.
No, sir, sufferation food.
Then go buy the chicken back and stop complaining. You go like you can't buy chicken.
Just no matter drink rum like I love rum.
Seriously, you would have come back and come see me turn over.
You know what you do when me come and say turn over.
Where things in lock the door. You see candy?
Yeah, Miss Sierra, me get the bag.
What she give?
One phone and the bag, yeah.
Give me them. Give the phone.
What she say you must call her.
Alright, take back it and do the same thing. Give me Just
the
access
phone?
it. No, more access it. Lock the door. Open back the door and lock it back. And we can access it. One give your area. Alright, ready now on action.
Yeah, you see candy?
Yeah, Miss Sierra.
Lock her door. One give.
One phone and one and the bag, yeah.
Give them. She left her number and
Yeah, she say you must call her. And she need to talk to you.
She okay right now?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Pretend like you're there.
One day or something, I'm hoping to see you there or something.
No. The phone is too popular in night though.
A whole phone?
You never have a phone in night already?
Police will have it.
Police use the same phone.
Oh, check out the case.
Sorry.
No, take it like case. Take it like case.
Oh yeah, I want phone like few members I can. Oh, but yeah, the back over the part there, you say.
But check it like case.
But this I can't use.
No,
I said phone. No, people not see phone.
Alright.
People not see phone like that.
Just hold up your phone. Just hold the phone big side. Just hold it more. Put your hand more. Cover up here.
Yeah.
Alright, ready now.
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, everything changed from the plan. So, what more you do? Get me a drive. Just get me a drive, right? But then, we're there now. We're there Namprel. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're there Namprel now, so. They're on the back road. Yeah, man, near to Shaka. Yeah, man. Very near to Shaka. Yeah, man, I read outside front side. Yeah, man. That's a back road, man. No, come up on the, but I come up on the next side of the road, though. I not come up on the front road there. There's a back road, I go through one yard, and people pop on the back road. Yeah, so I come up on the garage, I go into the next part, the next road, you know? So I come up on the back road. So I can carry a couple people around there. Yeah. Today, yeah, just organize everybody, call one driver, one getaway driver. I go pick up when I'm bridging and I escape. The next route we are plan with in a workout. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to sell you out or something go down. But him not make it, so I told you alone upon the road. I share the plan, but you know you go. So every plan I do first, that dash way. Yeah, I guess the girl tell you that already. Alright then, so yo, do it right now, you know. Because I can't tell you, so someone left out of them people place right now, and somebody come right now, so I don't have no time. I'm out in the open. At least I get some change of clothes still, so that will good still. Alright. Yeah man, do it right now. And yeah, wait there. Alright. Make a link to one of my people them and make them wire some money. Just go to the channel part, Babylon can track it. Try make one link there. Make you set the girl up as I get $1 million. You know what I mean? Yeah, the one who come pick up the bag, but she get $1 million. Alright? Alright, cut me a cut. Alright, so yeah, just do it right now. Right now, I'm up on the back road and now I'm not stranded out there. Alright. Alright, them go sort you out. Here? You need to get a better man though. And look one here. If I'm not killing something my food up and you know how you're fat so.
No, you walk here. No, sit like here, sit for me. This is your turn. It's like it's a shot of you sitting down. Alright, so curious, you can go and talk about it.
Did you buy the condom?
No, just go and look for curious attack. Curious attack, I just some look at inserts.
Yeah man, so this that. And XYZ. Yeah, so the girl, what they are, let's get $1 million. Yeah man. That's carry $1 million come give her because she will do the work and things. You know what I mean? So your mama, cut me and cut you know.
Alright. So we are going.
Let me pick me up. What may I say now? You buy a condom? Because that $1 million there for you already now. $500,000 could have the plan because a long time in the front. What you say?
No man, I never buy condom. I never buy it. I never remember. I told me they busy with
You do your test regular?
Of course. But no man, go on man. We don't have to do none of them something.
You don't want $500,000?
No man, you can keep it half. Me get one already.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going dead poor.
Mr. Brown. I'm going to time I can get a chance now show. So just tell me, just give me one summary of the scene where you just showed a while ago.
The movie is a comedy. Jailbreak, so just add all type of scenario in it. So this is just one part of the scenario. Come back for him, make it check.
And this one, the scenario is the jailer there in the man house and
I find one money, so one bag of mix up. You have to watch if you see what I got. So, sit down back. Come on.
Oh my god, them down again.
so yeah, that has been some behind the scenes for you guys with Richard Brown Films. So as you can see, shooting non-stop. So the man them just find something what them like though and it pay them, so it's like non-stop working. So yeah, that was the behind the scenes for you. So all the persons who are asking about lengthening the short films that are on this channel and all of that can really be something difficult. So like, I not even can put one time on it or tell you when I get it completed. And let me just take this opportunity to thank you guys for supporting the whole movement on behalf of Richard Brown Films, because if I'm telling about them just get one of the cameras, Z5 I believe. So yeah, one step at a time. So yeah guys, BTS, that has been it. Thank you for tuning. First time over here, definitely subscribe people. Remember to leave a like on the video and I shall see you very soon. Remember to check out previous content as well. Little more.